Hyper qu'attend la vigie, et la vigie. Fou pepe, va glolo, oh, et glolo. Ma way is balejado, aja bagba, asikaligbe, do afikolea, ne mia tempolo. Mi jagole gio, mi antominya, oh my way, mi antominya. Eyenti mi regiodo ne mi attende cucunolo Ficole o ma we ficole ma mbe ficole ma Ficole o ewe ficole ma way, ficole ma. Adowa me vana, fianfito pata, trozu pastolo. Adowa me vana, aggedato pata, trozu boconolo. Oh mau, ficole no paramanel.
Yo, mi kwa gbendi mi akon pola o. Ba do wezo na mi va kwenye ba TV. Wa ndi ona o kwa kama jajama madapa na mi ba mi tia kwenye ba TV. Kon ba anya yo kwa TV o ka yo no popom ndi shia ndi toni mapo. Enya ga wezo tokido na mi va batoma. Dakoni mi katamba mi wore kapa klimle yo wono pashakpa maganya plobe chufia basereka wo mi do tafache gande de magbe mi gachive le mi ancheba afi je wona ogoma ma agoma jiga kule nyado ikemi acho atunyado kyo le gbebanka kama azorango na yili avai po Kenya nyado zoto tio ke kakare ya balo kata jindi ya alaba na ilia miga sorage akpo nukanye nyajojo kenye kikama nyajojo nya atekwa garagana mto papa shakpa ke na don fujiba fia majojo de toto ke yakale fia la avogma tane jibi asenyao asawo goma asrom alawe anyemi katutu jindu koma imano tokbu mo ke ndishandia acho TV ya dare kwa ngwa TV po alo na Facebook na po kwa ngwa TV ya you like follow share comment nyano vikata la kwa ngwa TV la Facebook ndia maza mungu kwa to wezo na mi va batom nyapa mchocho ke mi dora na mi nya na mi ala bebe ana na be wona na to tue mi awe de na ko be wona ba wo chogbe da +233 2426707773 ayen number ke mi atem as a +233 2426707773 ayen number ke mi atem as a ko adaje claim donc kujiba mi le wotoi le ho technical university ame tane bia agarmi aji yalbe nya akpere yule ajodonya me nya akpere yule obudodo me nya akpere yule ipe business wo ma kero kona agarmi aji nya a doaje alebe miawe na bubudodo ada la shio kware la tajino be ada pa ma ko nya be ada pa na ne ke vidiara be na ke of course agara mi aja long ku nya ba asichacha buglu mado enye fanyi achicha buglu mado nya fanyi tana be acha shiko ka ajaba na do buglu ha ta mia ko ra mo buglu to ma me mi yonko la bo ngba tvg ko ka ka kata sanko ala ba mi la bo ngba tvg la mo tvg ha I ha kata la sami yonko yo kam su mi agara mi ap motivational segment me apon kenye motivational message na agbaha. All right, so Napoleon Hill for Mgbe choga ko wachoy. But it takes half your life before you discover life is a do-it-yourself project. Napoleon Hill said, it takes half your life before you discover life is a do-it-yourself project. A lot of times we think that people care about us, they think about us. And a lot of times we also do things to impress people because we ask ourselves, what are people thinking? What are people saying? Or what will people say? What will people think? And that drives how and why we do stuff. But Napoleon Hill, a philosopher, a great writer and thinker, is saying that it takes half of your life to know that nobody really cares about what you do. Nobody really cares about what you say. Nobody really cares about how you go about stuff. Life is a do-it-yourself project. So you have to get up this morning, wake up this morning, face that business, face that project, face your hustle, and make sure you are succeeding. Mi apa nya sala Napoleon Hill nye no fiala dengore ke pesusumanya nye nyanya ala gbagba solo mo nya pare no shi nglo bana kakao kakare ki akatama Napoleon Hill gbaglomba lagba pa mozozo ya ji ke mile a mozo garo monfa afia nya ba akba be mile on to wa gano rokyo amma to yona yo ple kweba amma to yona amma to woni mamare ke fo ga kong no chio ma chino grama na ke to jo un ton to nya ga ke nye a chichi ga hu babaro ki fa azo gbazonia buka kabaro ki fa afi va kwede ye shiba o mare ke mo bore nworo mare ke mo cho yo susolo kaka yin toke no funo no eroki blamba amare vore nchi ana halio jabana wa welali enu oza mado awo wi kwenye ya nke ke buar ke ngali ke nyaten awo miawo tagbala hajraba cho laba za doga cho laba za doga tagbala alba mushangi ko jabana wa na wi fifia mama no mia yi bana yige na pobe megbi zonli ko somire na pogo bo iroki ko blemire na pogo na ba fi na pogo so mara kuma chio susu afio na mai mia aje agbapa ona gomele donc kujiba Tony mi apolo alors mala majiji mo mi azon akpon kawenye hachi ashishion wala agbapa ngekama donc jin habe agbato la to no gato khela ba mo na makbilon bansa e kanye defeated presiding member aloro presiding member ke jodu le ho chichina me chanto mo pa assembly manolo pa unola lo si unola pa akodada wana ikeji le joragba ma tana no toji agba mi ganya osege mi mo stroge mi nyamo joga fun to koklora re kenye senki stop to koklora le Ghana alaba ya pa nyagma chi mi pa ya volo kata jindia le mi pa nto ma chola Guinness na acho Poji ko bibi ide Trafalgar alocho housing va do the Lord's Garden ko ne atrore miam ayi na de Nurses Junction a wufo unchuare ke nko yona ko ida ko daddy alo olu a haviara no money na ma nte popo problema ke achula baba regbo be a chomom ayi de fi ke yopuma la be Guinness dofa Guinness depo amagbo tututu ko nte popo lo bo nyo na no money ta haviara no money ta bo ko value awacho akono ko ina de o Tech Teaching Hospital Trafalgar ko yota ji agwa ahunwe windscreen glass akatala nkuna gwa macho ko emergency unit india la ho Teaching Hospital ta nyapa gbadodora bla makoko nyoba mauna we na wogbo na gbo ha wonu nyi abano uma enye nyare ka jola mi ko hontom. All right, afimia agara ajojo gbanu mo pokora gbeta share echo miapa bovito ko do pakwo miapo bovito ko do pa una miagbana miakakare tua miana tuonanya. So from the Ghana Police Service, Wa High Court hands life sentence to serial killer dated 4th March 2026. On Wednesday, March 4th, 2026, the High Court in Wa sentenced Sharif Abdullahi alias Christos to life imprisonment for murder of Issa Yahaya, a 22 years and 22 others. The convict pleaded guilty to killing 16 people in Wa, 5 in Bole, and 1 each in Banda, Nkwanta, and Bamboy. All right. The kaji happen on Matatak Bomila Fuma. Enye amawulare, awamagere, awame, blavo vo ton. All right. The kankonye Isa Yahaya. Isa Yahaya poku umaye oli. Ta Isa Yahaya poku ya. Ejo noterafi emodemi. Oku yogba kokamo. Ocho yogba kokamo. The kajia po ahamonkonye Christos. Munko chonharara. Christos. Kaka yon konto tonye Sharif Abdullah enye nko eko ngoro lero gbanaji. Jilao ponko yo konye Sharif Abdullah vo agabacho hamanko ocho hamanko ne Christos. Ocho ogbakamo. Ocho biyo me biyo kata kamo amono ge tegbe. Ame o kon konye Isa Yahaya ble ame blavo vo varo. Owo na nto vo ma. Owo ame bia den la wa. Ou amaton le boli, ou America le Banda Nkwanta, gabu American le Bamboy. So, le pejim, a weapon que dang le 2025. So that's 6 August 2025. Bovito wo li, el ave wo no blom e jejibe de via amawum alegbegbe. Da okuma okame ko pede shibe amawulo nye, amawula tradio nye. Da ochwe High Court le March 4 2026 ma yo otrafia ke District Magistrate yike no wonaji ebe ameon ublan wo Justice Osei Wusu entry bede shibe baro jinguli anule danyili odo peji kotebe amenya mo gbogbo wula mo pleku dola wala ta o chopu bazore a mom afano tegbe amen. All right, ocho ina de Nsawam medium security prison bono fuma awu doctor secular bakata yon kumanako Micho no matata directive yaji. The kaji apanya blomi ayo mwen Christos. Christos. Mahiana ama pe picture the TV yaji. Christos. Kwa nya ye nye plota eya nye ntutu gbanto ke mi khocho povito kwa to pa gbo Christos ikenye amagblaku ngbegblon wala pe kop ayo egba. All right, ja mi da pene jiru do pe ke pona povito pe de dino ji be o ja gba wo ntefe ale be nye kpota ne nyaya ale kele ke bo amana nye kpɔɖeŋu hã ọganye nyaɖeŋu hã ne mie katã be ese le dukɔ me, ese dɔ wɔm ne womele wo gbã wole ge tsɔ amegbetɔ ƒe agbe ehiã ale gbegbe. Yo míasɔ ɖe ŋgɔ. St. Kitts tɔwo ƒe dukɔkplɔla enɔ Ghana eƒe nɔnɔmetatawo tsatsam le míaƒe yaʋalɔ dzi ale gbegbe. Nu vovovowo yi dzi tso eƒe vava me gake míaƒom tso dukɔkplɔla John Dramani Mahama kple St. Kitts tɔwo ƒe dukɔkplɔla Dr. Drew. Also wosrɔ̃ kple woƒe awudodo amewo be ladies first. So First Lady Mrs. Lordina Dramani Mahama joined President John Dramani Mahama in hosting the Prime Minister of St. Kitts and Nevis, Terence Drew, and his spouse Diana Jimesha Prince Drew to an official launching at the presidency during the Prime Minister's visit to Ghana. And ahead of the launching, the First Lady held cordial discussions with Mrs. Prince Drew, reflecting on rich history of St. Kitts and Nevis and Ghana's long-standing reflections with Caribbean nations. Their exchange further highlighted the deep cultural affinities between the peoples of both regions, as well as shared perspectives in development and progress. And the engagement reaffirmed enduring bonds of history, heritage, and cooperation that continue to unite Ghana and the Caribbean. So, nono tata pomila fumacho, enye dukɔkplɔ esrɔ̃ Lordina Mahama kple Drew yike nye Dr. Drew yike nye St. Kitts and Nevis ƒe dukɔkplɔla Terence Drew kple esrɔ̃ Diana Jimesha Prince Drew wo no Jubilee House tsɔ ta amewo nɔ ŋku tso woƒe awudodo ŋu. Katsatsa ɖe mi kpo amewo ƒe pictures ya ke katsatsa tɔxɛ aɖe le míawo kple Caribbean nation yawo dome. Ame yawo nye ame ƒeƒlewo, mía tɔgbuitɔgbuitɔgbui ƒeƒlewo yiwo wokɔ yi ɖe aboyo me. Ke woƒe dzidzimeviwo yiwo ke yɔna be Caribbean nation woawoe nye yawo. Ta nɔnɔmetata kpɔm mi le afi ya, amewo nye ŋku yi ke ƒom amewo le tso woƒe dzedzemewo ƒe nɔnɔme. Enu sia nu nyakpɔ le gbegbe. Enu sia nu nyakpɔ le gbegbe. Ta midzɔgbe tso wosrɔ̃ woƒe awudodo aleke be nyakpɔ ale gbegbe. Nye nu yi ke amewo kafu ke dukɔkplɔla kple gbadagbawo wode bubu tɔxɛ aɖe eŋuti tsɔ abe aleke wogblɔ nene, which is guard of honor. So that all went on yesterday, and wova nashi dukɔkplɔla kpetɔkpetɔ míawo katã wo yi dzi le etsɔ me. Dudɔmegawo hã nɔ teƒe ma, mekpɔ Felix Ofosu Kwakye le fi ma, mekpɔ Valerie Sawyer le teƒe ma, mekpɔ Kudzetɔ Ablakwe hã le teƒe ma. So these are very beautiful pictures that we are seeing here from the Jubilee House in the presidency. So that's what we have there. Mia ayi ɖe howide.com alebe miakpɔ nuka gblɔm me wole le howide.com tso beautiful ceremonial ŋuti hã. So we jump to howide.com quickly. Ghana St. Kitts and Nevis Inc. visa exemption deal. Ghana St. Kitts and Nevis Inc. visa exemption deal. All right, Ghana President Nevis, tɔƒe dukɔ wo dasi agbalẽ te be yewoƒe dukɔmeviwo nate ŋu aɖi tsa ayi wo nɔewo gbɔ. Visa maxɔmaxɔ. Visa nye mɔ ɖe gbalẽ, mɔzɔ gbalẽ ɖe yiwo kɔ nye mɔ ɖeɖe. Mɔzɔ gbalẽ ŋutɔ miyɔnɛ be passport. Ke gbalẽ yi ke nye mɔ ɖeɖe yi ke wokɔ dena passport me be nayi dukɔ ɖe me. Ebe míawo ŋutɔ mía tɔgbuitɔgbuitɔgbuiwo ƒe vi, míawo mía nɔviwoe, míawo nene kpe le gama ta ne be ayi fi ma wuxia ɖeke meli. Ta nɔnɔmetata akpɔ mi nye Druze, yi ke nye president ne dukɔ ma. So Ghana and St. Kitts and Nevis have signed a landmark visa exemption agreement expanding travel access for holders of ordinary passports between the two nations. The agreement is expected to boost tourism, trade, cultural exchange, strengthening the bonds of friendship and cooperation between Ghana, St. Kitts, and Nevis. So, according to presidential communications, the agreement was signed during the recent visit of Prime Minister Terence Ju of St. Kitts and Nevis to Ghana. The visa exemption deal is part of efforts to deepen bilateral relations and promote South-South cooperation. The agreement will enable citizens of Ghana and St. Kitts and Nevis to travel to each other's countries without the need for visas, facilitating easier movement of people and goods. This is expected to have a positive impact on trade, investment, and tourism, creating new opportunities for businesses and investments alike. And the president, speaking at the event, said this agreement is a testament to our commitment to promoting cooperation and friendship between Ghana and St. Kitts and Nevis. All right, so I think that's what we can say on that. Dukoklola, no tata mamno kata kwa mimile, onye jijo do ja do nam wonaro yoke yichi choma kata ncho kata vazucho. St. Kitts and Nevis to dukoklola eva Ghana alabe mion dukoklola hwe tu what to never years on ke eji blowe do yo gara kachachama plus sube yo kata mi yo awore ka duko amebo duko ene alabe yo wo amapopole amafifi ko ya boyo me ye kwe obaka bu tutore do le nya do me akala nya onya tefuma amere kawe mi enye ta ne be azon aide duko mama feel free. St. Kitts and Nevis in the Caribbean, Caribbean archipelagos. If you have onye toro kenya toro onye Togo topo hlenduaro la chapo tumara eba yafuma aba chashio aba de strong aba de mojaka nshami ne ba fumo onya popo togo ko vi onye tabu chakela na mono ronye yevu como le faklafa history tami da pena nyako du koprola ple Dr. Drube elegana now nye miafe special guest of honor lo am ko to ke le miafe du kom president so te ponoge ta nye amatohiare ke mi mopombe le miafe Independence Day parade ya na nye miapo du Koprola. 6th of March is tomorrow. And this is a Heritage Month, and this is a special Heritage Month edition. Tatoni miapo. Jimia me miapo college so goes amemile. But Ghana mo tamadedo alanye mjio alanye pamumyo alanye anchididio amadedemo samemiele. Ble obe mia do Ghana wo mia no Ghana wo mia du Ghana wo mia du Ghana go bato o kata oji la bo fia ha Stonebwoy wo ikanye mia fa mia on toto mia vi ka mi mo pomba e ha ano mia bodo ele to amaho adamu jakana mi ala ba mi mo pom ha ba mia vi ka ikanye ha jilaga ika khonko ha mi agbono gele ben gbati ji agba le gaoma lafo da nanu toji vivisa sa ajiga ala kala ka gbo ta mionto mia pe ajilaraka ikan konye Frank Agbeshi Lostan iha mi mokpombe ukata o mia domonoge legbame ta nano toji ne mia temi ha tombo en tokra ne meroje plofin mia mokata oge ta Ghana St. Kitts and Nevis Nature Tree of Life. Ghana St. Kitts and Nevis Nature Tree of Life. Ghana plus St. Kitts and Nevis du koplola odo achiare ikenye jeshiare agbechi ma je jemi TV aji agbechi ko amun funchu han chebe agbechi Tree of Life Genesis most ogba gbanto agbefachi over ne musinga Adam o ma over ma ko na Adam ba magava duachiku chechamo afima ye wo kulale ye wo bi chiku chechama wo akpechi onyaro knowledge of Tree of Life afi de kanye knowledge of good and evil tawa chomo baro no abome edureka anyem mi pengbegbele de kane biano betegbe ta amun chonchi ala gbogbo ta fi fiade idan bombe mi vale le Jubilee House alo if you are chimari this tree will never die. All right, Ghana St. Kitts and Nevis Nature Tree of Life, in a symbolic gesture of friendship and cooperation, Prime Minister Terence Drew of St. Kitts and Nevis planted the Tree of Life in the presidential garden following bilateral talks with President Dramani Mahama. The tree represents the growing ties between Ghana and St. Kitts and Nevis, with both nations seeking to deepen cooperation in education, health, trade, investment, and technology. So the Minister of St. Kitts and Nevis, Terence Drew, expressed gratitude for the warm reception and highlighted the potential for mutually beneficial partnerships. We are excited about the prospects of our collaboration and look forward to translating these agreements into tangible outcomes. All right. So, again, Tome, when you son, Emma McBride, again, if you malagwe, again, if you malagwe. In Chomaha, Mega Bob St. Kitts and Nevis, to President Adogo play, Kujato Ablakwa, Kujato Rajalo, Kujato Gajak alo amubu na makono na rama beta togbi okujeto ablakwa ipo ha wano ile pariaha arab the picture a beautiful one and we okujeto wanka the Prime Minister of St. Kitts and Nevis, the Honorable Dr. Terence Michael Drew, arrived in Ghana and according to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, he was accompanied by his wife and the government officials. Dr. Drew's itinerary includes meetings with government, Foreign Affairs Ministry of Gombe, government officials, so he will be meeting, Terence Drew will be meeting with government officials, academics, traditional leaders, and will also engage with the Vice Chancellor of the University of Ghana and participate in bilateral discussions, which have happened already. Okujeto has done an extra work by telling us that Terence Drew, how Adogo, Baranyala, how Banafifi Nyala, Ameokala Sukoko, and some of these meetings have already held. So Okujeto and Terence Drew, that's what you have over there. Beautiful one there. So a lot about this great man, this great meeting, and on and on and on. All right. Okay, beautiful. Me the Miapong to Amazon. You get Miapong to Amazon. There's a donation Tamikbo Miapa Honorable Richmond Kofi Kotosu aga de Lolonsia Miapa ala Subola Tamioka Subona ala Allah Hakbar Bismillah Miapa Hochichina Machia Untoma where South Aquahamela what shock ŋutɔ dzim Ramadan ŋɔlia mi le ke ehia be nka lɔlɔ ɖeɖe fia na ayi dzi ne mia nɔviwo yiwo ke wokplɔ ala ɖo alekeleke gbegbe. So mikpɔ be donation ŋunana kpeɖi aɖe yi dzi. Honorable Richmond Kofi Potosu, Ho Central Constituency Member of Parliament, showing some love there in those pictures we have on our screen. Donc, je vais vous inviter à Tony Magbonya Miaplon, le Miapo Ndio Name, and Mangoma John Vivi, Magigio, Bibige, Agare, Batadu Koma, Anamia Nyamioke, JM. So we have love being demonstrated there on your screens by our whole central constituency chief is doing some great work. My imagine in Chencho Aiko, Minyaba Honorable Richmond Kofi Potosu with donation at regional library. So he's still doing a lot, and we say thumbs up to you, Honorable. Just a quick read on that. Honorable Adam Kofi Potosu has demonstrated his commitment to supporting Muslim students in the whole central constituency during the sacred month of Ramadan through the regional Zongo caucus headed by Hajia Tahiru. The MP's office provided groceries and food items to students in various senior high schools, enabling them to observe their holy season with tranquility and focus on their spirituality. So the initiative aimed to assist Muslim students in their pursuit of academic excellence while observing the principles of sacrifice, contemplation, and devotion to Almighty Allah. The gesture was a demonstration of Potosu's dedication to fostering inclusive leadership and ensuring that every faith community in Ho Central is acknowledged, supported, and appreciated. Hajia Tahiru, representing the regional Zongo caucus, expressed gratitude to Honorable Potosu for his unwavering support to the Muslim community. And she said, this small gesture will go a long way to empowering our students as they first learn and pursue excellence, both spiritually and academically. She said, Yo, Zogomanolo for Habobo, Wanunola, Ikanya Hajia Tahiru, Alajia Tahiru, Ika Fungde Sukuvio Yoka Bogumale, Honorable Richmond, Adam Kofi Potosu, Nana Kowana, Ala Subolo, Clemiapa, Senior High School, so Panya, Ekakara, Yavolo, Jelemiapo, Tomafia, Birakwa. Honorable Bo, Yamajiba Yak Blodio, Na Kamasuba, Wow, Chichi Dollar, Kauhan, do plan another economy, no matter so. Ta enyoba amana bropiji abe ye le gbedodorame le ntchichi dome ne ala enyo onosriki janu gbeglom ta yo kpere ntchi kple dudu kple nono aro albe no ko gero rokiomo odengble o yo ala asubo ya de tagune albe nyo nama na vana o nyo nama na vana o chichena mchianto kata ho yo nyo nama na vane kana to kata. So Bidakbano, Honorable Richmond Adam Kofi Potosu for your man's job right there. All right, still back to hopewithday.com. I will still take one more story there if you like, and we'll be done. Volta Regional Hospital, death trap. Volta Regional Hospital, a death trap in disguise. The Volta Regional Hospital in Hopwe, elevated from municipal to a regional facility, has been described as a death trap by the paramount chief of the B traditional area, Togbega Gabusu the seventh, due to its deplorable state. Speaking during a working visit to the hospital, Togbega Gabusu the seventh expressed disappointment that the facility's upgrade has not matched with corresponding improvements in infrastructure and logistics. So the hospital's critical departments continue to operate with obsolete equipment, congested wards, and outstretched facilities, putting patients and health workers at risk. The paramount chief emphasized that the hospital's infrastructure remains largely unchanged, raising concerns about its capacity to effectively serve the growing population of the Volta region. Togbega Gabusu, the seventh, called for urgent government intervention to address the glaring deficiencies, warning that failure to act could further compromise healthcare delivery in the region. And I'm quoting Togbega: I know the authorities are listening to us and they will act as a matter of urgency to save lives. And of course, the administrator of the Volta Regional Hospital, Divine Aki, revealed that the facility currently operates without a dedicated surgical ward and an intensive care unit, a situation he admits is a major setback for a hospital of its status. And the absence of a surgical ward means post-operative patients are managed in general wards, increasing congestion and limiting the hospital's ability to provide specialized care. All right, Togbe Gambusu BG Gajiruronchi Alabe Ko Jiga Yike le xɔxɔe yi ke ŋlɔ be regional hospital amewo ŋutɔ gãkata ƒe kɔndzi dometɔ ɖeka yi ke wotsɔ tso municipal status meganye ŋutome ƒe kɔndzi le ɖo gake fia ame sia ame ke le ŋutɔ katã me glogodo ame gãtɔ me katã glogodo ata yi kɔndzia le nye ya wotso ŋkɔ na alo woɖo ɖe ŋgɔ be eva nye regional hospital vɔ ne ko kɔndzia ame takoliwo de ko ɖi ame ke gblɔ nya Tɔgbe Gabusu yi ke nye gbi ŋutome tɔ ƒe fiagã ye ɖe nya gblɔ ebe woata va gblɔ le nume ko be kɔndzia zu kɔgadzi evɔ intensive care unit amewo ke kudɔ ƒom ƒe dzadzraɖoƒe fi woko nɔna hafi wolena ŋku ɖe ŋuti nyuie ale gbegbe be woakpɔ ta no be wogbɔ va gbe meli o ke eyi dzi gblɔ be kɔndzie hã teƒe ɖeke meli yi ke nye surgical ward ameƒoƒe aɖeke meli o ta efiana be ne yewo dze agbagba yewo trama ɖe kɔna ɖe me wòdɔ na ma hã no hiã be yewoagbugbɔ anɔ ŋku ɖe ma ŋuti anɔ abi klɔm na ma anɔ ame atɔwo ma anɔ gbagba dzem be yewoatui akɔklɔ bi me ne kple tɔ katã teƒe ɖeke meli na wo o ke dze be woakɔ ma woakɔ da ɖe dɔadza alo amewo dome gbadza yawo katã na be yewo mimi le xɔxɔe kɔgadzi ale gbegbe kɔndzia nɔnɔmetata ma dzi dzedzem kɔndzia ƒe zingliwo ye ma kpɔm memeo TV dzi teƒe aɖewo ŋɔ teƒe aɖewo dze me Tɔgbe Gabusu gbɔgblɔm be teƒe ya ɖe kɔndzi wònye loo alo ametakoliwo de wònye ta mi le kuku ne dziɖoa be yi ke mi chips compound wotu ɖe gbawo me yi ma da ɖo ŋku dzi be kɔndzi aɖe le xɔxɔe ye hã eƒe roofing sheetswo ale eƒe zingliwo katã gblẽ ta menya be dziɖoa nuteƒe me ale gbegbe chips compound wo dzi yim le nutowo me ale gbegbe fi ko wotu ɖe fi ko wotu ɖe emi ye yewotu ma mi ɖo ŋku dzi be xoxɔ woŋɔ wo ɖuɖum xɔxɔe regional hospital in shambles. All right, mia atrɔ yi ɖe gɛ ɖe miakpɔ miaƒe dukɔkplɔlawo kpe ɖe ŋutɔ miaŋutɔ miaƒe beautiful vice president Professor Nana Jane Opoku Ajima ƒe nuteƒe wɔwɔ ɖewo gadzim ke miaƒe dukɔkplɔla gbagbawo dzem tɔtrɔm tome be yeana katsatsa yi ke le mia kple mia nɔviwo yiwo ke yi ɖe aboyo me ƒe dzidzimeviwo ƒe dzinadzeme wotrɔ gbɔ va wo de ale be wonya be ameyibɔ kɔ ameyibɔ dumenyo metso suaƒo dukɔkplɔlawo kpe ɖe ŋutɔ hã nuteƒe me ale gbegbe le ge ŋutɔ me ka gblɔ be mi le Professor Nana Jane Opoku Ajima ƒe dɔwɔwɔ nanam be kpekpe tɔxɛ aɖewo me yim kple dudɔwɔƒe aɖewo ale be wo ŋume kum kple wo kpɔm be wo katã woƒe dɔ wɔm ƒe ta míaƒe vice president kple meetings aɖewo yiwo ke yi dzi etsɔ ye ma kpɔm mi le míaƒe TV dzi le ƒenyigba TV dzi aɖo ŋku dzi be tɔni magbe ye nye miakplɔm miaƒe adzɔɖoɖo na va le +23324267777. All right, good morning, His Excellency Komiga Atokple Tanko, Volta Regional Rep to the Council of State. I don't message around here. You good. Honorable, thank you. His Excellency, Komiga Atople. His Excellency Komiga. I salute you a lot. Manyawa America to come in Afi Miankose. And I want to say thank you, Honorable Komiga Atople. All right, Peter, we had a message now. But you are looking good. Thank you, Prof. Thank you so very much for your message. Okay, so the Vice President Jane Nana Popo Ajiman has held discussions with the leadership of the Kofi Annan International Peacekeeping Training Center and at her office, focusing on the center's mandate at its expanding role in advancing peace, security, and inclusion. During the meeting, the Vice President commended the Center for its enduring contribution as a regional hub for peacekeeping training, research, and policy dialogue. She particularly acknowledged its strong emphasis on women, peace, and security, youth mentorship, and institutional reform, key pillars that continue to underpin national and regional stability. She highlighted the shared responsibility required to sustain peace and ensure that institutions remain aligned with their core mandates. Emphasis was placed on strengthening early warning and mediation mechanisms, noting that the timely and proactive interventions are critical to preventing escalation of tensions. The engagement also stressed the need to deepen women's participation in peace processes, nurture youth leadership, and enhance institutional visibility. Discussions further explore the growing relevance of artificial intelligence in governance and security research, with a call for clarity, ethical standards, and responsible application. Hey, amo jijokpon mi dada Professor Nana Jeno Popo Ajimam alabado couple Kofi Annan Center Kofi Annan for the over kpona umma jojo cho amodan don cho susuma pe ayo yeyo ko sasanko ava ome alawe gboglombe enya be amomo na no te alabe tukpo didi moji le hi ho pasapa marke nga no lomo ke jaba ma shamana no central no joano to susu umaje gajarake mava iji le miapo dukomo Professor Nana Jane Opoku Ajima pe takpepe ke mawo no ple Kofi Annan pe dope ke kponang makukum majuju cho amoye yo pe kachacha ple modern donkyo pe zaza le toma fafa reve alo hunya nchichi peacekeeping hunya nchichi le hika kada ba glogodo pe nyawe ma nyese Tony McBoy ye le nyaplom le ba TV pe ndi wona okpa ke madakpene mi kata be mi wo de kakwa claim le ngmejujrame ya po nchocho vavam de abo manye yi ha do liota ro ma khre ka varo alawe ma aido mchuchu piare manu mokpom na makbilam bansa ikanya sokori to assembly member ganye deputy communications chief na whole central NDC whole central constituency NDC makbilam bansa nya make nye nyang de lao barang to na ho chichna ma chang to ma fu barang to agbanai ka greje na bo pranche mi aju nya cover momok mom ne mpp to do motor kambe hana gare mi aji lawo na pare na po be kanyi na. All right, no messages were about explosive gover what that facial expression who with that facial expression, who is he trying to scare? the judge or the police. Oh, okay. Ama ulamare. Odola ma ke wa mota tata wa ma ma bla bo ton son. Ba nya blom explosive la ba moment que rura fuma along mama ko yora fumari o hoji dum na kan ha. All right, Emmanuel Akakbowe, I think whatever they say he did, he actually did it. Okay, so I think your messages are with response to that guy that's been convicted for life. Um, Benjamin Bear, he didn't even smile. Why do you expect somebody who is sentenced to life imprisonment to smile, bro? Um, more messages. Stephen Bear, horror and scary face. Good morning, Tony. Good morning to you. See you. Bernard Bear, bad man don't laugh. Interesting comment. Mia talk Mako do to show Pierre and trouble. Mia Zoran Gole and Yama Jojo, make a cashmere for TV. Tony McBoy, and ya among Funcho Badianchi, Okata Woblomba, Bayamon Concra. Anyway, I have some 2-3 minutes to 8 o'clock. And when it's 8 o'clock, we'll move into the discussion segment. And so let me have a quick break. I'll be right back.
See, this food where you chop for mouth, independent, you see so jealousy. We dey walk out for street, independent. Everything you do, I say so jealousy. Hey, see, they go they pretend say they love you. They go they call for mouth, they sweet they call you. I say, they go they smile for front, they say they love you. Hey, they go they spoil for back, they say they love you. Hey. Jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Mon Dieu, oh, mon Dieu, Kokon Safo, mon Dieu, mon Dieu. Ah, mon Dieu, oh, mon Dieu. Kakon Safo, mon Dieu, mon Dieu. This right way they see so. You know, be like they say the day before. Because of jealousy, oh, brother is killing brother because of money. I say, jealousy, oh, because of jealousy, brother no they trust brother again. Hey, this love where you see so, my brother, love no day again. Hey, brother no go trust him brother. Sister no go fit trust his sister. Everything jealousy. Which kind life be this so? I'm an aquaba mene. Agba wo to menya wo ne wo fa fo jojo ko jomole. Nuka ba pa menya wenya ya. Eh. Dada vie de kawa wo mega value. Bo fo bile de fo five um. Dada vie um. Which kind life be this? Which kind life be this so? Hey, jealousy, jealousy, oh. So jealousy every day, everywhere jealousy. Hey. Mon Dieu, Kokon Safo, mon Dieu, mon Dieu, Kokon Safo, mon Dieu. See, this food where you chop for mouth, independent, you see so jealousy. We dey walk out for street, independent. Everything you do, I say so jealousy. Hey, see, they go they pretend say they love you. They go they call for mouth, they sweet they call you. I say, they go they smile for front, they say they love you. Hey, they go they spoil for back, they say they love you. Hey, jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Mon Dieu, oh, mon Dieu, quand on s'en faut, mon Dieu, mon Dieu. Ah, mon Dieu, oh, mon Dieu, quand on s'en faut, mon Dieu, mon Dieu. This right way they see so. You know, be like they said the day before. Because of jealousy, oh, brother is killing brother because of money. I say, jealousy, oh, jealousy, oh. Because of jealousy, brother no they trust brother again. Hey, this love where you see so, my brother, love no day again. Hey, brother no go trust him brother. Sister, oh, sister no go fit trust his sister. Everything jealousy. Which kind life be this so? I'm an aquaba mene. Aqua woto menya wone upa for jojo kujamule. Nuka bakwa menya wenye ya. Hey, dadavie, the kawa womega value. Bofobile de fufu dadavile dadavie. Which can life be this? Which can life be this? Oh, hey, jealousy, jealousy, oh, so jealousy every day, everywhere jealousy. Hey, mon Dieu, oh, mon Dieu, comme ça va, mon Dieu, oh, mon Dieu, oh, mon Dieu, oh, comme ça va, mon Dieu. This food where they chop for mouth, it dey pain them. They do say so jealousy. We dey walk out for street, it dey pain them. Everything you do, I say so jealousy. Hey, see, they go they pretend say they love you. They go they call for mouth, they sweet they call you. I say. They go they smile for front, they say they love you. Hey, they go they spoil for back, they say they love you. Hey, jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Mon Dieu, oh, mon Dieu. Quand on s'en faut, mon Dieu, mon Dieu. Ah, mon Dieu, oh, mon Dieu. Quand on s'en faut, mon Dieu, mon Dieu. This right way they see so. You know, be like they said the day before. Because of jealousy, oh, brother is killing brother because of money. I say, jealousy, oh, jealousy, oh. Because of jealousy, brother no they trust brother again. Hey, this love where you see so, my brother, love no day again. Hey, brother no go trust him brother. Sister, oh, sister no go fit trust his sister. Everything jealousy. Which kind life be this so? I'm an aquaba mene. Aqua woto menya wone upa for jojo kujamule. Nuka bakwa menya wenye ya. Hey, dadavie, the kawa womega value. Bofobile de fufu dadavile dadavie. Which can life be this? Which can life be this? Oh, hey, jealousy, jealousy, oh, so jealousy every day, everywhere jealousy. Hey, mon Dieu, comme ça va, mon Dieu, mon Dieu, quand ça va, mon Dieu. See, this food where they chop for mouth, independent, they do say so jealousy. We dey waka for street, independent. Everything you do, I say so jealousy. Hey, see, they go they pretend say they love you. They go they call for mouth, they sweet they call you. I say, they go they smile for front, they say they love you. Hey, they go they spoil for back, they say they love you. Hey, jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Mon Dieu, quand ça faut, mon Dieu, ah, mon Dieu, quand ça faut, mon Dieu. This right way they see so, you know, be like they said the day before. Because of jealousy, oh, brother is killing brother because of money. I say, jealousy, oh, because of jealousy, brother no they trust brother again. Hey, this love where you see so, my brother, love no day again. Hey, brother no go trust him brother. Sister no go fit trust his sister. Everything jealousy. Which can life be this so? I'm an aquaba mene. Aqua woto menya wone wopa for jojo kujomole. Nuka bakwa menya wenye ya. Hey, dadavie, the kawa womega value. Bofo bile de fufu dadavie. Which can life be this? Which can life be this? Oh, hey, jealousy, jealousy, oh, so jealousy every day, everywhere jealousy. Hey, mon Dieu, comme ça va, mon Dieu, quand ça va, mon Dieu. This food where they chop for mouth, independent, they do say so jealousy. We dey waka for street, independent. Everything you do, I say so jealousy. Hey, see, they go they pretend say they love you. They go they call for mouth, they sweet they call you. I say, they go they smile for front, they say they love you. Hey, they go they spoil for back, they say they love you. Hey, jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Mon Dieu, quand ça faut, mon Dieu, ah, mon Dieu.
Yo miapon kpolo me da kona mi ba mi hoji gbodi maklim bye bye hodo mo chuchu va manya mena mi nya bana po gania mi gana mi apa nya mo juju ka nya banto e kala mi agba kim mi akpora kira ku afi honorable makilum bansa Ikanye nyapa deputy communications chief na ho chichina mecham to mapla nyama ko pa the kare ka ga chu MPP ma no gar mi aje nye crime ashai ko mi sasamba ngbagblare jim ngbaglo jim le unto ma le gbagba ko ni ma va ngo go samo ngbagblare ho ha o na pole ka wo amowo makɔ fofo ɖeke megava le gbegblɔ lɔ mo ɖe ma mi se fia be wo da amare mɔ wotsɔ gbeke mɔ elabe ewu ame blavevɔtɔ mi kpo ma va yi ke gbalẽ ɖe ya le mia gbɔ fifi la tso wobe mi xlẽ Ghana Police Service be mi koe da ɖe yaxɔ katã dzi ta ma wɔ kpi ɖe ko afi miage ɖe dunyawo me police bodyguard false robbery attempt on Court of Appeal judge in Kumasi, 4th March 2026. The Ashanti Regional Police Command wishes to inform the public of a false robbery attack at the residence of a Court of Appeal judge in Kumasi as a result of the alertness and bravery of a police bodyguard. Preliminary investigation indicates that the 3rd March 2026, at about 11:30 p.m., the suspects, identified as Patrick Allo, 23, and Akweshi Jemfi, 21, scaled the fence wall of the judge's residence, wielding cutlasses and a pair of scissors, and attempted to forcibly open the judge's private vehicle. They were spotted by the bodyguard on duty, and in the process of effecting the arrest, the suspects attempted to disarm the officer. Acting in self-defense and in accordance with police operational procedures, the bodyguard discharged his firearm, resulting in gunshot wounds to the left and right legs of the suspects, respectively. The injured suspects were immediately conveyed to the Komfanoche Teaching Hospital, Kumasi, where they are currently on admission and responding to treatment, and the police guard. Just a short one. Afi Mia Aho Honorable Magbilon Bansa, the Nyapati Vioji. Ngbagblova Jima Gogwe. Kaka appeal court judge for Buema Fomo Valley. Nkayana Sohiona no, Ngbagblon won Hodomo Womalaka, and Kemiata Ochonji.
Tonimado agbendito hena magado agbendito hena yapwe ngba TV npola apute mi da pe na mo ba ga na mi egben keke a me mi ga no agbe mi ga juru mi apwe agbe no pe ople ngogba yi nya oma ape nkena nya von nya to kuya o didin keke ya oma kena no von no to vo ya ajivim ga na afia Tony Yanka, you had to pay Kemapoba Fiamara Kemalig Agahona Sohel. Lapena Sohe Gedo, la Mondo Dojia. When you put the deal, you know if you care, you psychologically, they are not stable. Omala stable that the least error of Fiaqua, want to work Bodo Kubo, you'll have fifi. Okay, you can't blow Fia ever.
Nke na wo le stable mo nke na wo fifim bofo manomi
most of them are from broken homes
and they o jila o da fofo jo ko to fo ko jo bo o gbe fo aro dada o ji
inye apagbanto
alo gbo o jilo gbo no ni o be ma
yo ya ko ma takoba deviato yevu he struggled and hustled in life, but by all means he wants to make it. But you can't make it when you still. Oh yes.
Okay.
Echo bank of official there could get a kuma fear ko. Who finana fear.
Oh, film politicians so have him, my champion.
He got to my jembe. I got a number. I am more confident. Efikwe basara si mo le wa ma fifi amekpobe gedocho apa yu kenye broken home so ma america ma le ke a do do na nye be d'avoue l'autre amont afifie atike gbevon eva do mi agbo fifia na me le bene do ke me le fore wa gbe mfia o wa gbe eva do ha me bereka
atike von pela mo ola machiji
mare kwe
kora kana ko paranche ko mia akpe honorable Macbillon Bansa
afifie ma kholo no mo
ahlombo
mare kwe
okay
ademo na ma kholo no vie to mi ajila no maga vone mi ne mi wonu vo na nyo eno manya nyo kwa no de blo na mi open review ka anyi ma like va ugbo na va ha mi afu de be ale le no kholo. When I'm wrong, just tell me point blank. And Joshua, what you did right now, I don't like it. You can offer my jagaji or my gawe azon. Because my do kwe na vi matwe na vi. Maga ko ye Bible am. You will be 1 Corinthians chapter 15, the verse 33. Do not be misled. Bad company corrupts good character. Na wa blame you. E hadodo voa do blena mandoma wo choma ba gbe kade kajo ayuka na le evanyigba tv pom dia na fa no kholo manya konya ba ni anya hadada hadona le dem akpoba ngogba anyu no adona donkwa akpobo e choma ha bebrege kamina mia no mia do kuo ma hasia yi amare vabia nya blemia ko mi agbabu a hadede ma manyo ta toni
akbe nyapon pola honorable Joshua Bansa ikenye ngetoma gareka yo ka kpenarin chinyere nwo ma juju ma kuku e ma kpere chinya yo mia ano mokpom na Macbillon bo gare mia ji ka akore kaje of a picture le mia pe TV oji fia Patrick Alo bele akwesi jemfi wo wenye so heavy yo ka jawawa ai jupo gare Ashanti Regional Appeal Court Judge papa me out of Davis Okonyi 23 and 21 na po mo kwa the Vigisio Konye, the Kaje Bonio, Yeko Wonye, very young guys, and you can see that on your screen. Tanakbo, Mayama Chichionya crowd. We're trying, we're speaking to the people. Me phone, I'm a shaman. Unglaku, Agbapo, the Furion, or body Visiara, and Pono body, I mean, by this time, or you won't know. Maybe undergraduate, first year or second year. Gaka, when you go macho zanta, vale que negro macho zanta. Uma vovo for magara munao. Ta yo a sala to come. No malo and rokio blambe a semelu. Okay, yazarango. Manam yanyava amak bedi tohiade bonye noge nyadwaje. A choikewa year. Honorable Maunyo Agbe, Ikenye, presiding member re-elected. Na ho central municipality, Anoboye, Miraje, Nwo Migbonya Ofun. Ke America Okuliono Akoda, Hopefully ama inye Honorable Macbillon Bansa. Macbillon Bansa, anye jibanto nyagono mne TV Jafia. Da miamoke lankure bo imbati vin ashaya ntu ya lo de kaje ayenye assemblyman ola ne sokode pe assembly ye ganye beremto ne nyamgalaga ne huchichina machanto me to yokele NDC mafia ke ye jagbagba be ahochia yo dako akoda machonwo malemi o TV oji le gbangbangba ma Macbillon Bansa po wienyi Macbillon Bansa po wienyi ke Maunyo Agbe ekpo blave vo ene ovo na mienya bo le wo fa sawa assembly fa sawa ameke maten ko blaton maten aduju tal to go Honorable Maunyo Agbe eno ejidun alo eno ngone magbino mansa ha mata ko jemo ta o je bo tro agere ko joma o na be no yi minute blaton trova o pung no o so no ko ala bo bacham que no trova ye maunyo agbe me captain kwa mo blaton ke je bo o ya ko me le ngaka woma o trova bu wo ka dako no still amarke mo ko blaton ke je bo tefria mo fo ko kom ala ba mo bubu na bava enya kata kwenye ke yo gere ko joma no ashisho trombo bu wo adra komise ba ngere ba ije mi goma je ke chofi maunyo agbe globe katu south stop presiding member iha nyama ko to ke no ma ka ko mi kono jin ko dare presiding member o platform je ke be dare funji la wasa ji opo to mama na regional minister ble komiga his excellency komiga atople tanku ikero message na fa you look good and I'm happy for your message so good, I'm happy honorable me ko sem feel like ke over ameyo kata nyaba topo agre tumano over yo magbilon na gashinya ngulo na amaga hopo na trono yi enya onye honorable magbilon wezo
yo amenovi tony me zodewo waza monu popo mado agbendi to kene ya fe nupola opete le benigbaji ale benigba tv4 edo agbendi to kene ogana fe gologbi desia de kamere le mi apole play yefu brochi fe to ko desia de me e amesi amere mi apole la edo agbendi to kene ni fe party meto opete ndc dunya bloha Nipe revered Volta Regional Minister, Nipe MP, Edem Richmond, Anani Kofi Potoso, Ke Nipe prospective mayor of Ho Metropolitan Assembly, current MCE of Ho, Honorable Stephen Adom, Soko de Nuto Metopete, and then my spiritual father, Bishop McLanda, Medo Abenti Tokene.
yeah yo wezo
Yeah.
yo mia gere nyame ekpo akodamo chung ke jeje mia ti via jifia ale ke honorable maunyo agbe no ngo afi ne heple do ko ova job ova na be na vada shi gba nkanye nchocho na tana mi glogodo cho ale ke akodada yiji nkenye osasara ma cho nwa katanga.
All right. Akpe abele Kenya nene assembly desia de le Ghana godo etiana nunola ne assembly menola opete noko sokole like MP so tiana speaker of parliament ke oyone be speaker ke miato ne mitia mia be nunola la mi yone be presiding member take le mia pe at 936 no so be un standing order so esiebe 2/3 of the total number of the assembly ya na be aton ai de accord anya jidula da na ekpo municipal assembly acordanu to omela ole 29 and me yuke eseye de mona be jidudu atanti akove million be government appointees ola ole amewa mewiene ke DMC play MP che onye assembly members so ta na bu ikopela ever 45 ta na assign 2/3 of 45 ke ele 30 ekemi na yide presiding member kota damela ele bene na po 30 afi aton anye echidula ke no ike join be ike mi de akota da gbantome mi adometore ke metampo the required number to become a presiding member here 30 mepo 18 honorable maunyo agbe epo 24 which means be elebemi ayi no ike electoral law globe runoff mi aga gbogbo ayi ke atrova after 30 minutes kene after 30 minutes america mekwewa wanami conserve mi aga gbogbo yi achala mi oji atrova nemi gbogbo trova conserve megbeche ha america mekwewa kemi ameviela monu popo megale nemi be mi stand be mi a contest as presiding member so that is how cumbersome presiding member election hele. But I want to state clearly that you play honorable Maunyo Agbe. Ejremele Miatomo. me kwe abe a senior brother kake politics no dey come me di be mi apete mi no se senye be amo meva contest na ameo amo contest na dope kaka me yo ke me do to na politics ola anytime he o abe a contest dope ozube amede lefima hafi a contest kola amio pribe me o ebe team la o dibe na yo we abela mizufuto e chura me e chitre da mio but ta fractures because ya trela amieche tepe amede no fima o contest ke we ya che no amie contest di no mi aglobe e chura mi o ezufuto na mi me dia mi ebe nkoko yiwa ata mele me debe do fe ya contest na le politics me o me contest na ameo ta le ma o vo me gbe alo me tema now genesis of this story enye be me no contest me fine as in me have various campaigns over enye be honorable maunyo agbela aside enye appoint to gatoba assembly member la eganye vice chairman le ndc me nye ntoche aside menye soko de toba assembly member la meganye deputy communication officer alonya nu de la opekpe de nto le ndc meta fidagbe he mi ava no akoda le jodagbe la fidagbe la nye plipete chale party kuke towe no ya pe nu to me mi va ide soko de etwin kubucho soko de etwin kaka ide tokokwe en abenya nu de la nene party program de sia de mi la mepona enu akplomo me pe ame osusi oche wa gblo ekpetasio tame wa ma opete mi nasi no nu kokome mi mle dagbe ya nye togbe ayim pe eku tami gbugbo va soko de etwin do gbugbo va fane ame ma ogbo mi to le fidagbe gbugbo va ide tokokwe ta hemi jo le etwin ye de tokokwe a me zokli mp kli mc ta honorable ma onyo agbewe ya la odongo ide ziavi ta nye kli mp kli mc mi va ide tokokwe afi trok va ziavi me dola efonye bo brain koko o kli ame bubu bo brain ta ya me va dasi asime na amesia me nyam la onya be enya me die kole amesia me be kunku because edole pressure na mi bubu ta maga ko stress ko pe edo me dasi asime ne amiopete no ne me dasi asime na oke me lidi aside asiome abe ko didi ne mi apete mi akoko no me we na me ve me do honorable ma onyo agbegbola react utu and unbelievable because amono be megbeza amono kwotepe togbe ayimbe kutepe wento nya revert paramount chief amovasa ewuli
Ziavi Fiaga. Okay.
ewuli la sito de nkunyeme plito so be etutepe ne fa vune monola enmenya chi ejo he efoyen poji kwolo fesa no tameba ibe megbe ame chinebe ame ganya le ya na melebe me diendo okuri ada sile unta ne da sile nyon ne novine no inemiwa ko ya ojo le fimie ya ojo so mi ato ke to pete no fima o react ve nka ijo all of a sudden because ya kata le no vi wale I afie me gba me ba fito fina mbela o le obe underground works o wa o le sesebe mele itopo gbe ta vovon va le contest ndo tala mega le ponye de no vi me at that time be enuma le jojo yambe na me se ame mi wa campaigner ame se ame nyala ike me ko na nko krache do ne akafui la modo mele mi ape campaign wa onye ekodidi mi apete mi di na kole mi anu wa fi no ba yesigbeko mi va ko ide election ame numa ojo ya inche team la sinye ile underground works over supporters nyole so quickly enyepe one of the godfathers nama eyom le phone jibe even if to the election nyepe intel mi pick the car ame the car yombe obe no bia sebe fika mele that was on Sunday evening mi no chacha la moji taigbe hafi amowa se news ya kra mi no chacha and I had a call be when no bia fika mele ne ma ana na yonya yambe nka jo wano where about in bia and I was told bela obe dean of MMDCs enye apeto Jerry Ameko adakulu tope this year obe ne yombe ne ma step down afi my contest le jodagbe and these things are on record obe ma step down be nka jo every time enye ko ya step down ne amelia nka ta mi amata a step down namu so Monday mi ya he contest e sigbela
Jerry yo kai koshira
be Jerry amede yom nam intele
okay
obe ole did you find out about my whereabouts? Jerry never to.
Okay, Nigeria never tune kuma plan kuma.
Kume, yes.
Okay.
Aha, so me swerve no me ma ya me call the contest me. So me contest ya menye zigbanto, and the first contest me ya me call 6 votes. The very first time I contest, my positive vote. That time I was under the Etwal administration. So manipulation so easy, scheming so easy. The MCE then Honorable Bossing said vehemently he cheated on here because I'm a focal person and he made remember the funeral. When I went to him, Mackley, that was what he told
MC
me.
came and
Divine Bossing.
Okay, Divine Bossing, alright.
Yeah, mana and you contest.
Okay, Divine Bossing, you have MC who Leonardo
yes.
Okay.
So Oski Nugede, even then my own MP at the time, he past MP for Ho Central, Honorable Koto, told me to my face where Imanama Icho. So on the ground, a lot of gimmicks, shenanigans were done, machinations were OEG. So Ekila Oga contest Kichebe, Aga Ine Yosibe. Tahinu overthrow Sola, Vovomvado. Then my intel dropped an information. Although I picked an intel one other MC, na your phone ye fifi like, na chinambe ma step down. So if you have a call, so 2 backdoor so MC, I'm here drop line no go MC be call get me.
I have Stephen Adom.
Yeah,
MC, current MC, college Ajifi.
Yeah, be never vibe office fifi like. As at the time, moving around with no campaign one. So out of respect, la me no do G. Yeah, team your check pole ke me no do pula team members all put to Colombo. So when I got to his office, la team members all put together office. Yeah, be me yo yeah be au fifi la me nyiri kai galio me contest me. Ta mole onyeta ne me yere te feda ele bene yo follow. Yeah, ogbono be course o chu GMFA. Be me ma a step down. Ne amegane koi ame biebe o chief. Enyabe Matan step down at this moment. He incumbent vote ma mekpo by mekpo 6. Okpo vote over 29. Egbene incumbent le 24 pola. If you have the people are willing to change him.
Yeah.
Because metam cho 6 kakabado 18. Yache megatam po required number. Yache po 24. That's 6 vote difference la. Magatam bubowa dollar mo. Some of my people that switch along the line, like my time dollar and get the vote back there. But the contest, no matter what happens, I'm going. Ewa piti mebe out. I mean, Nobel office no pola. Regional minister will call Bafonyeji. So because me no jedota, me tam pick it up bantoma. Oga bubotroyo ya chine chief me kune me bota regional minister le yonye. Tabe pick. Ya arembolo number. Nuka ijo me va clay this time me nyakra be me le contest no me glone be RM out of respect la me honorable ma onyo agbe va ngolon call dem ya be assembly platform be we nya pole me gbe na ile race ya me and I believe be o clawe la go to abie be make out le contest ya wa ayo nkonye nawe and the fact be ya chele nko example ko la magata mva claw because I felt be take side oho yabe au mele esigbo no le vema klai beta idibeni appeal ne conscience yen be yo de kukuna ele ike no le yila mabade nyajiota ne madasile enone amechi nebe menyiri kai le fifio timla sinye amo o sponsor election amo ko gademe o committee be resources nyen touch enyi pega ta ne be ma gbolo fifila be me step down la amocho believe that jinye AOA vote now. I'm 18 to convince 18 delegates and many of you. So my disappointment la ma boom abu botroye. So me vano RM yo oga bugo yom be amekwe funu de amenu le politics me. Be the cardiac bola iche gagbonu fu de nche nugbe ta ya feel be na ma dasile no and it even ne honorable Maonyo Agbento because at the time who no MCE race me I feel honorable Stephen Adumben cover tola eko echivima be yuamu yume no ijiu kake le politics me neno va do tepeda eleba menene tore mena meneta ide kuna abe evinene kple a senior citizen le party bakpadzi tse petea ne ma adasi le enuo and based on the regional minister be wòaƒe ɖewo le miamewo ƒe agbemea, you know, evazu a huge responsibility yi ke le enyi ƒe shoulder. Minɔ fi ma ya His Excellency ni atukple Tanko for short ya ebe kɔ va MC be fɔ ta MC ya eɖe kpɔ etso le miagbɔ yi ɖe kɔle xɔƒe le ebe cubicle bubu ta eva yi va xɔ kɔle gbɔ ya be His Excellency be ne aƒo nam ta ma ge ɖe xɔma me kpli enye kpli mi ge ɖe exɔme mi ƒo nu atlen atse gblɔ nam le yi ke wo kpli eɖem agbanatɔwo dzɔ enye story here me sia me nya last minute awo ƒo nu ne itse wa nuke and he told me be idibeni agblɔ mi kɔ ɖe na me nye be I pulled a surprise. You menya be and why you know they were actually thinking there's going to be a walkover. Ne PM ne honorable Agbeta you make kwese be ayi sigo akele puku de sia de nambe any day anytime you che you atore me nam ne be no bubu de gale chojota madasile eune. So at that moment me brone be okay merci ya be ne ma WhatsApp ame chine be o me no WhatsApp che ho ta ne me WhatsApp ko akwe ya be o ke mi nyame anu then I told him be o I don't put never raise a party fund dele moving peak hotel and you chairman no and you make no be megbele seat ke won no le president Mahama bro okay he can record that ya WhatsApp him ya ochinambe nema bube onyo kodo de you are accepting him. I'm saying all these things because I'm no buy him off. Anybody who knows my billions knows that Matanko can influence me. There are a lot of things they do in that assembly and people take money and I don't take money. So I WhatsApp Honorable Tanko back. Never a whole council of state member. Everybody knows the financial muscles of Tanko. I don't got offer and I'm a hair where you know I'm a man, nobody else can buy me. So I told him that it's not all about the money. So I won't take a dime from anybody. On the wisecrack side, I told regional minister that edu fellow efeson le oya ba o ma bubile nei. But till now, me you ameleke chele funji. Glonebe do gakira. My team was actually angry be out. At least gaketo mi gble ara elebe ga ono gugova. But I told them be out. E ka gebola me. We should all make those sacrifices be. No me ye mi abe ga o gebu. So that actually American have dent and you have little integrity and credibility better. Oh, this gentleman no le contest me. You can buy him off.
Ami Bugareko.
Me Bugareke ko one
Oh,
city
where team member kama yo Gareko.
Me ko Gareke la Amerikesio.
Mi Bugawo alo e bona.
Mele Bugbo, Mele Gareke che ko la Amerikesio. Mele Bugbo, it should be on record. Mele Bugbo, Mele Ga Amerikeche mega attempt Rekeche be do gade de dam out. Since Minya Bolono Visem Maolefima. So I gave the regional minister one condition. Bolonebe RM. To bubu petemela and ye matro I homame ava golobe me step down. Miawe mia I home. Ople MC Agblona miobe you ununam. Because supporters yola will be disgruntled. Already Oteklo Haiti who. So yeah, I remember okay, no yes, it made for you why. So they came inside. I guess you were there. I witnessed no gini. And I remember no fool MC over no fool testifies that indeed me wa any menyebe no come step down. Along the line, me vale se obe you know leading by 6 votes. Amenyabe ya duty who any is a mumbo jumbo analysis. LS is still in No, it's an invasive comment.
Hold on.
You see,
initial comments I'm going to probe that. Majiba na wu initial comments. Okay, so might be your question.
All right, so
then because Amade will mongba mapocho.
Yeah.
And communication. I'm not calling.
Okay, so Minister Ovak Bologna, Minister Anto Ekafum Lefimabe, Menyebe politicians they say they are sector at this moment too, and to concede the election here nyabe menole lead you. Moreover, FE incumbent vote wesa bubokova kwa wajila mele easiota na me se me ne upload enyi be maturity keke ne display be o municipality nefa. So it ended there, and me bubo elebe no bubo election ele complex legbegbe even as I'm conceding la Martin anye presiding member negbo ga bubo atako he ukpo the required number he 30. So be ne mi atono ga bubo to process me, and minister play MC open nam le home be magbubo chala mioji ameke to me nya boda kona ne ma chino be no da connection because ne mega po number ojela ele out of the scene ekemi. So me bubo ne le kuda onye le home e po me gbono mi ato ojicha. No, I see now, I was actually friendly with everybody. No, I see now. So when regional minister was about leaving, oh, pass ever comments over la akwebe yom and etere onye denu tomenam. So he told me be nema na team nyo because speaker was in town. Ma coffee akoteme. Regional minister had to move. In Cheme compare la Pama. Regional minister was actually with the speaker of parliament, Right Honorable Alban Sumana Bagin. Kakenu Kaicho, Ncheme compel Ibera, never move foul, I will not step down. That's the only thing I can do for them. Because when you have a presence, please, they never play. So you have and we are the flow because it is speaker. Then a whole regional minister can move from speaker of parliament, Afima Mera Globe, Menye Yuwa, call the Comenye Yuwe Gloria, they call you not into Afia. Todola Opoli Nupola Opetiche Wakwa Menke Pomevi Amiono. So regional minister ba then utome number speaker of parliament le Volta Serene Hotel da nemava play team le 6:30 p.m. ne me to you le executive lounge for a dinner that you dibe ne me wonu de cafe. So I told my team quickly because at the time Pakpan Crashela was close to 6 o'clock because me have a negotiation the LMC was over 2 hours. Was 30 minutes go electoral commissioner on Nafi. So we went there. So me pete me for novo. Me va dunu. That at the tail end, me no did me wrap up la. Ya honorable Agbeva gede a home. So for instance, executive that they were not even part of my team. I just told them the news. Me ya. Yi fato aside governor yo na sila. It's not boy. Where my nasi or yawol and the campaign were against a ocho them watch it them. Two solid constituency executives, semi-yonal and mere party members, executive members. Egbe, where my nasi wo. And ye, Ameyoke Menyabe, they campaign vehemently against me with all vigor, with all their resources and their energy. I was embracing them then. Egbe, those people, Jerry Awude, and Christian Youngs, they are alive. Mesiamata Yababioyata Obenkoyo. Egbebe ma nasi wo because oleji. Ta fragile in politics, amede kwenu ameji. Yata cho apede kame krala, ameda me EP, ya nyune, amede chebe RC Solime, ya vifiene, but they bear the same family name. So one man better. What are we displaying in Whole Central? Make a get a America better maybe a yin Whole Central darling boy. Nebe yi meliwa. Then if we want to do the politics like that, might grow, and we cannot continue to be gagging people for a particular person, political arm twisting. How? And Mao Jokakatara, I'm overthrows baby politicians. That Friday Tony, my political journey, and that one too is also a hate and envy on me because the question can move whenever. But you see, with the things of God and the grace of God, overtaking is allowed. Ne maunya leke ejiolera mebeton leke enlo imauja mau ako speed debe kukode afonu atanko to koblibo kodasiume because maunya ejiwe. So those things be you le fear hopo. Let me le fear hopo mi anto mi be yo je politics come place am agency and you me pote venemi and you me je go me place am agency and you me je go me place Tony. Ne mi be yo je go me place am agency. Sami Jemfie mi rise kaka do national communication officer gadu gale CEO do fifie na gold kemi mi o ya mi anu afọ to fi ano the visio hichi but tere to kemi mi an fi na yi mi le mi trust the local champion enyi today as I speak amesia me kulele nu to ye me nya be me be ma hang voting after this assembly New Year, my hand the assembly Pajila, my hand, I am not a greedy politician, as the Nusian Beku, never nye bone no nye ba komela, na mono probe nye de no. Anybody at all in my team, I look him move na claim like kobe, do the camera na nyebe, the convoy ought to be long. Nemi be convoy ne didiri nuka yajo, elebe ne ma oyiram la ma one ira no finye. Alo ne ma oyiram anjema zo ya ira ne America vedole ehunye, so that when we are growing, we grow together. Menye be ewe ne na no chichi, ne you menjela opetela, ne no no tepeleka. You menjela will now become a liability. What rosa magic ba? One of food now of Messiah. But when we all grow together, a Messiah mebonla atan complement novie. So in short, enu ma o ke jole ya pe akodanya o me play reactions yo ke yiji echo mesele metato you know me apete mi zuto kanto echo mesela ya me flipe novinye ma onyo agbe was squeeze the be eyoma hafi ta echo o pale mi abe studio le fia hafi o kanambe emi but see o regional minister he yore yata the following morning Tuesday morning hafi ma by thought TV regional minister crying yom labaji kulibeko. He called me around 6:27. Be amenovi echoba pelo. Ameiketa he nyime dasile victory he pomelego. He bunu de gave on dasila. Amieme fu menya kra me wande kene. They are moving around saying bela o ke nyibe enuzio ya ta me konsi. Menya koko be yile jinye du bele second round. Ekpo on the grounds enyibe nkume bia be yato. Everybody there can testify there. Giabe mupli to petro. You know, facial speaks a lot. Ne wa psychology. Ne ndele jojo amobe mola epona nugede cho ope chichichi mulo alole ike obe tame susula emopona nugede cho enuma wen. So on the ground, he looks to be very worried. Anxiety is set in, and emotions will technically kekedeme like ground say otekla mo blame me. Bebe manasia mo wekli talk me talk petila. So ne ya vale gogole fia be inyabe eduji ape enyimewanuya I gave him my victory. And a messiah may hear a story one thing a messiah le gbogbo enyibe jidudu ya pe kakeme kote me menye tabo ya me bolo no be out eton ye fiam no de ka be da dinyanu de medo afifu no elebe na namo afiere eno vigi mena no evidele fima bon. I am young, I have a long way to go by the grace of God. Neme da sile ya ungba nimenyanu ike maudu de echomena mpe mano chichiu ahone ebe menyan keke nene la afeke mechigbele fi afi ano chichi ano idokwe begwe si agbo egbe kegbo nyona de na lele egbo itagbeta chichi chimele agbienwu ta enyi nike mekpo enye be ekpo gbemi gbe he dadi hele lonwo be kuwala afia tanzo kaka elabe dadi la gbasame la medjuru kota afia tanzo kaka che abatu afobe yonula mata wani jijire la bele no wobe kutepe amowa ba kwe ta enya odi jo amechichi ugboza nukokono ame ocho amechichi ugboza ta enyila I don't even see politics as a means to create enmity be ejere ne no mi adome fulele ne no mi adome ichitre mi anu ne ameremele ji okwo ezu futola no in the political principle enyebe there is no permanent friend, there is no permanent enemy. Amerike kime wadona ogbo echo ike gbola amie ata wadona. I'm saying this because when you first contest me play on Agba, there was this lady who campaigned vehemently against me and told me by the time you met her door and supported the cause of Mount Honorable Agbe. Kakegbe woman man gbolo sonbe mi wa agreement be aizefe. Esemenam nali aizefe eton le yala you wa kwekonenyi. And any an open thing, he mi apete mi wale mi document do be a sede keme lesi boka kemi build convention ma. Ta fracha me ikete be ono abo agbe koda one tempo wa. Then we agreed be mi anaya 2 things. Ekweda kake edbea ever zu dealing darling movement. And nu de catch mi gagbole nyebe. Nenyebe MC chu tepere edu demela kemele be as a presiding member che negachu du mama. So Numa mi konya Honorable Agbebe predecessor because Honorable Divine Bossing MPP MC Echolume presiding member, Honorable Johnny Apakli at the time, like Yachechu Lume. So based on that, let me be out. There should be equity and equality. The power should be balanced fairly because my community they carry the whole that. Yami be our elebeneju, yami kwa when talk about the presiding member. Egbe as we speak like Honorable Stephen Adum Chakwen, Honorable Maunyo Agbe, presiding member, Yachechu Akwen. Egbe amekitowe he preach message ma bayila. Egbe omega kwebe enye nuvondi. Egbe they are so glued to the position that omega lenono chebe ne you odasio. A lot of people continue to say certain things but nukata America ele nu hasibe etrozwa yi nukwasili ekwafole enye from vice chairman, dean of presiding members, presiding member, nuka regional Maslock director. So as regional Maslock director, regional Maslock director, all these positions. So I'm one of Abian Nukata. People are privy to all this. Kakela, they still want me rather to step down for him, but Malfa Mekolomola, America Menyota, and we kill them go. The plans of God are far better than our dreams.
Akbar, yo, me afan Paul, Honorable Macmillan Bansa, Ikanye Deputy Communications Officer, Neho Central Constituency, who Chichina Machiang to Ama for Nyangdala, Safaji Agama for Parantonia, Eganye, Assemblyman Olane, Miapa Untura Calafia, Ikanya Sokode. A choice no matatara le mapati yaji. Honorable Maunyo Agbe, in the Kaji Bomimila Mapati Yenya make Uwu Gachia, but a presiding member, who were assembly.
Correct. We gave him a call in with and my statement.
The Honorable Maunyo Agbe, my Kenya presiding member, here. Because we also in make a picture that TV you can no bonyecho then anata me moko TV or alo where TV amanya supo nyami no marka la chema bana marka ba na no lang pure TV amu ta uta no nyawo sama ongro na robe ta na bo ma nya bono bonyecho be mi do aje vuvu enya ro block leto makaji ba honorable tono tojita ita olanya po a block pagato ke mujimare na no ma Mahian and Nanoma de Pico, that. Okay, the district magistrate, Yema, ye Lakotama, Hado Chichi, Kame Kado, Vlayaga, Ika, Gana to Kofa, Jeshu, Hola, Wancho, Yawu Ganglojo, La Bushmaker, Lolo, La Pichama, Kakara Pichama, in your Mount Yeno Yabocho, Kaipanyado, you blow. Yeke ganye regional Maslock boss. Ka a chop from whatever you would do, the party I should be several public vote and a song. Tracomundo issue. That Doyo Conile Masloga a do Yamania political appointment to you, like a CEO. Allo Domagala Maslock, Kata, Lagana Kata Blogudu, Ye Dashak Banatebe, Yan Dola Tais with Dovila Maslock, Jidu Vow, Jidu Joe, Yela Maslock. Many political appointment on you. Number two, na presiding member, Jaro ya, Jenny, Coyote dog, no double park as Jenny. You want to go a ye go where with Tamanya Dorco, ye Nazo, ye Kata, a chow. The presiding member, Dominic Doike, Matako Hopper, regional Maslock boss in Chew. Ejible in a Jimano Lockberento, who Chinamachantoma. For NDC, deputy, vice chairman of constituency chairman. Kaka Bagwajambo Yavazu chairman also. Ka Emaha Berendonye, chairman at Tuamagao Konyaka, the permanent chief. Ta Yai Blomula yellow Mora Chekomaza, Malamo. Ta Ni Kabum, Jidu for Tomagao for the Yeshineva Yewodo, Le Domeiji, Etao. Ba uno mo popo mo be yo mo popo mo be anye municipal chief executive a boy nena mako varu na fiero ho gbone ogbene ha boy ne dashi eba do fiara o don gbene be anye regional boss ne national health allo insurance authority yo ba ro jaro ko be ye na ide assembly ya ba confirm e be MC e mai no confirmation mo ma ma yite kware ike o je be ayo ye ma ha boy allo ko so me nai ta mu ya anye mu ike li na yo kata ajonari yo kata ji ta me o ka na sa bombe e ha ha re mu a ma elem o nyamo yo nye nyayo ko bro ike nye gomedede ike majibe bema la fiota mia awe abeke yo penya kata nyar kre melesio ni ha penya wenye yo do me yije o toro ta menye du koplo la ye nai abaleke onana do MC ne menye du koplo la nai do ke do ko nai be na wo pakpare ko nai. Okay, kafi mana mo na gara nyama bo mo jima bion nya banto. Ke regional minister pongwa aglobe ye jiba na nya ye fa one of his aides. One of his aides. If you have manye doko ojijobe na adashi na monyo agbe na I unopposed. If you have a vote ke yes or no banya kwe. Yo yes or no votes are I mean, a moment, if it's actually, I mean, so it was overwhelming, if you like. If you're an azu, age, but you know, Kunyamanchi, me phone, me look when Maggie or play Bevelai, me like poor about someone at Baggy, aid, Bajero Romari, Evama, oh, Kuma Fegino.
Awega Tony, I think the Makalechu Fima Obe Menya appointment to Kakama Kova Dale Ede. Tony, Mia Piti Mia Tanto, and Nicole Mia Duque. Mia Beto Dula Clean Nupola, Gedesi Girime Globe, Nemia as communicators, mi vale Nupua. Nefia Minia Ganawu, Nupola, Lotodula, privilege, you monu popo, you name me, le party deme, la party a coming vata defi. Nuko lebe me le chichina bebe. Me le fide nyin tobe to me I communicate because of NDC. Then they say like me pola na NDC no meliola nje ma kwe. Alo na me dudu pele na NDC meliola ma do. Alo na menye soko de to tayola ma ba bu profi be ano no ku be menye assemblyman. Ta fracha me chichi obede kata me do ta frachero be echukuno ya komi asi kofia ebe tetume. Ya piti mi nya bene ndisi no me wino regional maslock position la ono abo agbema kwe nuka ta MPP no power o mene regional maslock director wa akolo na mi be ipoto menye appointment yelo alo menye ndisi night of eto ikota la NDC fa NDC jo ya piti mi nya be the civil service act no hore to me de he hore e monwe tonu yala government come, government go la get transfer ko ano na minyaima SMA CEOs weko ya jona play government play ministers weko jona kakemia mekito evale umbrella dume ya ne onya na we tomato gbe ya ezu edome no la tegbe negbe winto eba wa no de he civil service to men no de ji wa lo CMN no de ji wa ya so mediama gble ne amesia menese gomebe without NDC government fike kele ke kpodo le wa waigbe ne enye party to ke kpodo le mia be vava kele le me without NDC government ne ma kpodo ma because MPP no ide maslock mai megbe ke maslock le nuka ta me we regional director ta le be mia appreciate mega come mia si kofi amia be de dumo o me wa anu na me vore atro megbe kodo ami obe ne wa de na me kpoto ba si ba le nu me la ome do asine wade na me koto NDC wade ne nya pete so to come and sit here and say be me political appointment ipola yala is null and void and a very worrisome statement coming from a vice chairman because he has to talk and say things that will project the party nenye be abakunu just because for self gratification me a defend idokweta akunu akoden emunenya be ne akopo di party o evelia
No to aka globe de MCA ye be adu you va do fiara america ko ba ma wi yin o we je ko hold on afi over zo amaton ta ye ha in that process alaka kono go ne ha be to mo fa na no yo re kwe ta o break ya o line ha gbo ta cho MC yi go boy ayo ba do NHI National Health Insurance Authority to go regional boss dudujia abo swevie be fugbe ozan obo ye won azema o swevie ta ye ha nan makwe fie le gbanye maslo egbo number ya benya nya jojo kakaladi aba kunwo makobe na gym te ma ha ta menye he fuma e be ano fiu kaka le kako o ble break na e ko kaka ima bigio nya blomle
Tony me bigio ni melefi
no ma upanya ye panya so
me enyi melefi anyi to me bigio enya me ko de na o melebe na me NDC ola madudu to be a regional director che do pe kairi alo the whole water region no pe da si obe water region no to me pete masrok nya we akọ egba menye do pe fi onyo then again ni me no fi manya be o promise health insurance. I cannot speak to that. No health insurance. Same cafe, kola mereka. Ni menye health insurance deputy CEO, Lualo CEO. I promise I can't speak to that one. Swerving ni nyebe leko swerve me contest me. Yeah, boss swerve. Who swerve like?
Our MC.
Yes, MC.
MC. Torebo le break night.
Yes, okay.
Yeah, but no more bombe ya ide NHI
store. MC Tori.
No, me guy from my phone, but you see.
No, I just want to. You see, amole mi akwa amole to do me. Eleba mono se processes o me. Emia politicians who me wana. MC Tola o nominate be manye constituency witness le vetting process. Ona ame si ame vato me. Ame si ame vato me la ona mi nyabe wa select ame wa me eton. O select ame wa me eton ben ko kodo de again. Chaman feg apedo. Honorable Maunyo Agbe. Honorable Stephen Adom. Fifia MC Dudua is a godfather issue. Esemena de eleba merene no jimena onekunu denu. Honorable Maunyo Agbeche be godfather no nuku denu. Amereche to no nuku denu. Then after godfather la owe na enu gide upo your emotions, your intellect, your competence, your capacity, your abilities. Owe na numa afia bako nutu ome pete because executive power kona wole. So fima ebe osweva me no MC to menya akodadayo jimenya president atwa
sia meze swerve na MC ebo le break na e chofma
MC
o le break kemi ba do NHI sa o swerve
okay
ta nyama gbroima ele record
yo MC to me le break na me leko ya me ni me de huku
okay tamizo then
ni health insurance o swerve la me de ya chemebe Yemenya
that maga afuma ho damira shinche ebe imenya ra fun okun de opuke to mo so let's leave it
yes so
that fifia fi okwe daro ha de me o chichi ma na ke ji ma fun
how can I okay obende kemere ji you
that never know de
Tony
never know de ma ba fun to camera
Tony ma gbolonya de now that fache chiripo no bodechi zonila in mesona as politician asinye meke jinye meke susunye meke esemelari ebiebe salonka hekure miwegwena
mama haram
yes so that is Maslock vehicle
manya
na mi ebe imelende kekpo why is he driving a Maslock vehicle ekwa
ya fi mama no NDC pe Mahindra do kuma
so am yet amele no bodeji
no that I didn't want to do that yemeji ma wo
so enya ma
honorable
eni ekpo meko NDC ekpo mo ko NDC buna mpa Mego, me ma conclude.
Let's not be chaotic. Hold on, let's not be chaotic.
I'm not becoming chaotic.
Hold on, my birthday. Nyasalo na sebede. Nyanya makobo kuya kumula. Bebo chu mwene grava nye shoji. Manyago nseme. Plato. Damakobo Mahindra ono kuma maga kumo. But you see, nyemejiba ma ngo afukupwa. Ken a Japan how funama mo kukum ya regional. Ta nyemejiba those are trivial for me. Those are trivial.
It's not trivial. I'm here blona obende kemele maslo. Kakele Maslow group, and you say it's trivial. It's not trivial. See, over you are the 20
maybe years. Individuals like
yes.
Ken.
Okay,
so let's not.
Okay,
not party, not government. Individuals
as regional director,
maybe individual American. Le parti me vunama mo no ko enyenyi gbom le bia to ya me
so menya kakemele me de na obe chirigbo no bodechi zonly we ma you see obe you are ya ko kono nye hit you are done party 20 years you are kama you are we've all started from some point then chema ma calculate him no Legon edo yo me wale tin Legon me okay in chema ko pe gbogbo but you see today as we speak Tony anybody who knows me onyanabe I commit money to party activities let me have a party zonzo yame. Even though I came within a short period, I commit my money. Nyintonye bebu yame meno throughout our campaign. Today, and you pay SUV, ele grounded because ele ke himi zen that pressure. Ele yame kolona party to campaign emi wa throughout la. And you bebu ya party to gede dona afimi ina. Kake mevati Amerike che yi pogbere kabe o mezamvunye. Medega party dore cheme miwa ABCD together. Mega no part of the people who led the campaign here. Honorable Kodobisa, Honorable Stanley, and myself, play Captain Infojo. Here we lead campaign lefia. Kake me complain Amerike kobe me ponde ko. Today as we speak, I've not gotten any appointment. Me complain.
No, never me complain on you, Mr. Gomu.
The way I'm only complaining, they are still complaining. Bella, you left here.
How is about complaining? How is about
complain about what?
What appointment?
I have not gone to any office to lament.
My radio jikbo,
but complain. No, I spoke for grassroots. I'm a constituency executive.
Yeah.
But see, Agbela branch executive who feel be melenane ko. You mele popo. I spoke. Maintenant, I will think, but we cry lead. Muma na me we mono numa ya publish ina. Be party netro modem ya pe grassroots bo. I didn't say be party netro modem McBillions bo. I said party netro modem grassroots bo. I make it always what do they should be rewarded.
Okay, 8.
Oh,
now though.
No, I'll come there.
Yeah, oh my God, BRCC.
I'll come there.
You can
come there.
And you yeah, like back with missing out.
But you can't oh no.
You
see,
I bought a woman, you know, one woman for queen or you. Jore yomi omo go no to VICC pam. Vevelia me edonon. Ofu gablo juma iko chochono tiara. Na ko a compare pele manya go bu dia kumulera.
Enya be avude adevu ameve meliela aglobe agbaja ne vulemu. Adenanche mebo opetio some of the things near atu agbodenu. Because of the respect I have for Volta Regional Minister, I cannot speak to the aid issues and all that as we speak now. So Emma, you would have to pardon me. They would have to pardon me on the aid issue. I'm reserving my comments. Wisdom and maturity is knowing what to say and where to say it. Susumebe chichia, yanyebe anyanya ikaglo. The five bona omonu popo bene na fonula menye yata aglonya sianya beku obe yam meblo kube adela mebo petio afideku apoewa
elema ba obo yo e dai ko nyeme ja
elema miao as nya jojo do ala miao to nyebe ante ademia pade do me you say and I know what you are doing but melek now and I'm standing my grounds there. For the respect that I have for the Volta Regional Minister, I cannot speak on the aid issue.
Even Yamana Bloka now, Manyama Kawanya, something I can never for the respect I have, or Baka Nyagba Blandel, Swanamiabo. We are reading my mind. Me, Yaman Kremba, over the Mikata promotion. Hold on, Gloria, never whip it. Gloria, Mema Honorable Gloria, whip, Menquema. About promotion, everyone can do rango. Da element o compensate so.
I'm a yoke cheat trade Ole ayewa bene yo food you.
No, don't go there.
No, you see, everybody stand and you I'm a fine politician. Madanya we best stand Tony. Be against him from Agafa Bomiadu. That is the politics I do. Many honorable glory have a position, let me have a contest, mammy. But mega dear couple. So Ole Oben use you to make it look as if Bella no film lene. But I'm telling you, I will not speak on that aid issue.
All right. Okay, Mr.
Regional Minister met on Bema on aid issue. So I cannot speak on
age. You aid boy. You go and you na malabra. We okay. It's Zana Dona go by the.
because of party activities. Maintenant, on peut you play some agent view comme finesse some agent file. No na mommy a de vioje bonamichi.
Honorable,
Kasi meleme koko meleme.
Honorable,
Obedi.
Sami Jemfile.
Buluto no nyare obedi. Paul Abantem. Nensu osine di kanfo.
Gaka ameshama tovana, amari tovana.
Yes, no matter no say maybe overtaking is allowed in Christendom and in politics. As a meradi, yata you mechi etreda American, I believe be eleke buleba mereto vandi ndo for form equitola. That is what I also believe in. Yata meglona merekebe elefia huku chelo eson kwevachela meglona mereko. So I don't want them to be repeating that thing better. Then McGillian say about never church ki mele dowa ile dowa umi amekitowe le huku e la sime hu umi amekitowe le huku ke pona nudo sinale ko e mi amekitowe le huku ya mi embrace na numawa kimi difference le ni put me on politics me and no they come no yebe because of the many colors on the coat of Joseph la yanton of your children. So I understand all these dynamics but sometimes maybe I have a coat of many colors in into menyo. So when these comments are passed,
okay, all right. Kefi mi ba dogo abansuma na bagbi. Nke iji afun.
Oh, ni amechichi obeje dodo ekpo be nenya asikokolola anya nudubula kwa mekle amechichi o and amechichi cheme gboronya na me over gblele kota because togbenye efiamiare na ebe amova togbenye gbori ebe no ainfa then enyanu ke togbenye awa wa pass wrong information ba ke mi obele na do ta ho pass wrong information ho be na do la o feel be na ihe na eba gboro wrong information mala ke onya be enye sakle sala lo ditrito because no call wrong information e call we pe trust testing that on several occasions e we nam ga ke menya ta later avachi number osigbe you amechichi you da for Africa assembly the people ta ne you ba ko be you le nya de gboro ni pomele dile hikola ke you nya be you atanka assembly
mi ati jimele nya jojo me la ora yes philosophy asuba ke to mi ade nya jojo oh me right dogo me have dinner no hold on me have dinner eko mi doje cho nanu edonya me philosophization na it's not good for TV nya ale
it's good
never dogo lo hogame
people will learn
never dogo lo hogame apuna ma get TV onya be host aba bianga be year ever dogo Kingsford Bagbia ever dogo year tima year
already me gboro na o do nko be mi ide
perfect
they have dinner
okay
ka we le probe yen so me nya ka o gboro na nya ka me gboro le and that is what I'm telling you man.
Okay, can it do your corner de awoga? We are plus 233-242-670-773 plus 233-242-670-773. Enya pure message yoke miano dodong dami majibe yi ha chacha miachita enya de gali hanye parliamentary issue of a sort. So it's an issue of bitterness, emotions. Let me have you been bitter? Have you been embittered in any way?
No, not at all. I believe time and season. And I'm a
that's about
oh, not at all. I come the ground there. I was so cheerful, you know, no more hagi, no I see no more plate on my pity. The rest is a kemele ejinyemo. I only felt better if we one week by calling me to say oh novi. No, you see.
Did you call him
Tony,
to congratulate him?
Now it takes two to tango. Tafrache nemejona kaka kibaje nunyala. Elebe matet nunya for the fiason. Then you mena sile zimuna obe medema gablin who medemi gablin. At least at that number. Nembe regional minister bedo pe kokoma kra etan yom.
Boba Ahmad Bamajona.
Yes.
And I
Mejola.
No, you never meet Jola.
Oh, you Mejola pick. People no victory. Okay.
Now, of course, message we do message and
you may agree that
message about call a yowa it's your question. Ema obiambedi. You congratulations. Alabe, it's just normal. In Choco, MPP told that coffee. Make a taminya like a Ken.
Me ponu chori. Me ponu chori.
No, that is not about name for my baby. I congratulate.
Me congratulate.
I bring back. I never congratulate. Congratulations. No. I don't
And he knows I will support him. Any melamo de jimoyata zigiri nemi nende wala. Hafi mama nyabe. Oh, maybe me one do tell me engineer and you me moble. And I move on. Kaka mi ala ele de ejime. And I think we're going forward la. Zigede nuki mi ato okbulana na most constituency executive so be enyi ma o dollar GK me cover politics me hele wunyekwe America me behave na sibo. So I think I also have to learn it. You see,
but politicians are recommending. Politicians are recommending attack Irokito.
Let me let me conclude. Now the Medema adopt the Governor Wiki strategy. You do for me, I do for you. You do for me, I do for you. You scratch my back, I scratch yours. Gone are the days where the person no day for me and they day for him and stop that politics. In German, says cover politics, my
Tanana Jilo Jim.
No.
Jesus.
No.
La Fushi Javazo. I am heavily hurt. I'm heavily hurt. I'm heavily hurt. Watch Muntaka's reaction to Afonyo Makin's apology. The Minister of Interior, Muntaka Mubarak Muhammad, during proceedings in Parliament on March 5th, 2026, accepted an apology by the minority leader, Alexander Kwame Afonyo Makin, who had made allegations of corruption against the minister in the ongoing recruitment into the security services. Before accepting the apology, however, the minister, who doubles as member of parliament for Asawase, opened up about how the allegation by Afonyo Makin, the MP, hurt him. He noted that he had no choice but to forgive the Efutu legislator because he had apologized and withdrawn his allegations. I'm quoting him. It is painful to be wrongly accused or your actions be misconstrued and be labeled differently from the intention that you have, especially when it's collated with criminality and heavy wrongdoing. But, Mr. Speaker, I've had a great privilege of serving in leadership in this house, probably with greater respect and with all humility to my colleagues. With those of us sitting in the chamber now, I've served in leadership longer than anybody, and I will be the last to thwart the effort of leadership in trying to help run the house. On and on and on. Kwa Alexander Afonyo Makin Kenya MPP toko nunola la South Akbahama blog Muntaka duzang la amoko de security services home. Yabe amano maumo srafo badakba obito mo kata yoko o dokmon keke ya omako gako homo to homo be to pon afia mo home de adome kama gba oji dora ba jivu Afonyo Makin magbobo ye magbenyu wa Muntaka ba isaba la gbegbe isaba vacho mianchi so anya bore mare na mio abe vavasase vavasase the politics ma and nanjo in a savavadi about politician leko yewe na adafwe.
Okay, and you are obey, forgive and forget. Obey to err is human and to forgive is divine. Fike as a vevela, you might any contest be versus like a mere match politically. Okay, at us a veve, then you be a medenye wibame. He stab way in the dark and at the back. A bonya you came a mienya wibame. Kakeva stab way in the dark and at your back. Yala as a veve. Because a kanda mieji, a co as now swap it is.
If you have a hesio,
yeah, with it. kumehewe ntɔ gbogbo si wɔ aya be veve sese la etona vo because gba a distort process wɔ gede but ne mia focus ɖe aƒenyo Makin kple honorable Muntaka ƒe enya yawo dzia tɔni akpɔ be eɖewo eva zu nazã bubu ta ame tsitsiwo be ne ebu nazã woagblɔ be nazã ma ke ebu la ne fiaƒe me la etɔ aka miemi da ɖe be mietse ne va de ɖokui le enya me ta quickly la wo refer nya to privileges committee ta akpɔ be numa eva de vɔvɔ aƒenyo Makin ƒe elãme eye wokpɔe be ahiã be miava de kuku because court ame ne wogblɔ na amewo si ke be court alo ʋɔnudrɔ̃ƒe la mesie wobe o alo mesusui be court mesio court vie adasi ta ne ame ɖeke mele ata ɖi adasi le nya yi ke gblɔ na ame ɖe ŋu ya ko la ne wokɔ yi ʋɔnu la etrɔ zu character assassination eke mi ta woado efe na wo le gbegbe ekpɔ dukɔ ya me mi la mi have IMF conditionality so ŋutsɔ le nye ƒe dzeɖoɖo me kple dzimenɔla gãtɔa hafi míame ɖewo kura mi le me se be policewo immigration tɔwo military wona agbalẽ dzimenɔla gãtɔ be yewo hiã 10,000 personnels
nke dzimenɔla
ebe míabe ame tsitsiwo le dzie me
dukɔkplɔla
be yes yewo hiã ame
no mas ebe ye pa dzero kple esi TV on me le nye kple pa nye kple kɔkɔ yo le wo e do adze kple dzimenɔla gãtɔ e do adze kple Mahama alo tete yo alo Muntaka do e wo mo na ko wona kple nye gonya mi
okay mi do dze kple míabe nunɔla do some political godfathers I cannot be pinned to mention certain things so and we were told be
no menye na Abia state mi lo
no
do adze kple me you go ahead I mean but coming out of message around Mechlin. I mean, that's how you do.
Yeah, okay.
So
when we spoke with Speaker of Parliament, and now minya clearly the IMF conditionality. So, yeah, a food enemy when it comes to recruitment. Yeah, that requirement is clearly 10,000 every police new year. Kakela we cannot 4,000, 2,000, 1,000. Yako hewa mile ebo. Because IMF conditionality so man na momi be mi atan akwa mezan ta apenyo Makin he nongo no iketa mele ya gbole kilo apenyo Makin we nongo chito la gbanle o be kekere play asidede teme ya oba ko ese ya odare mi ajibe mata kwa mere tome based on this number lo mi awa ya ko because epo elebe debt restructuring mi le fie yo kele mi on cheke tane kwa mozala akefe tusa adwagba matanke wife o so enya be limitations le amoko kometa na mmema ga gbogbo va wa uten vale gbogbo ne Muntaka ifie be ela jonu ko ele selective
no
ele zanu ko pleton ma pedia akọ ebe ya ta me gboro be ya be fefe sesela elefu because amienya afi gbogbo vale wesi le kuta trozo akume hele siwela ya be veve sesela ele vota ele teƒe be Muntaka ne gblɔ be ise veve ne nyagbe ma o hedo gake ixɔ ebe kuku ɖeɖe kɔ de ma ele teƒe be ne gblɔ si be because aƒenyo Makin we ba da si agbalẽ te be dukɔ ne zɔ azɔli ma ta ne be
aƒenyo Makin de gbalẽ tasi agbalẽ te be dukɔ ne wo ŋka
dukɔ megaxɔ amezã
ade aƒenyo Makin ha woƒe dziɖuɖu wɔwo yi ɖe IMF gbɔ va yi do ga ekpe esi press wɔ nyi le nye ŋutɔ kple ŋdzi ma se ŋu agblɔ aƒenyo Makin ƒe dziɖuɖu le nana ɖo ɖa ŋkɔ akufo mɔli wɔwo yi va yi do ga le IMF gbɔ ya IMF wɔ ga do se kɔ da ɖe anyi be
mata xɔ amezã
akɔ de dziɖuɖu dɔwo kpɔ
yes negbe mi do le yewo ƒe
nyɔnu kpe mi xe fa na yewo
do le ga do se ma te la hafi ta akpɔ be by mi le mɔ kpɔkpɔ me be latest by June la mi ate ŋu awɔ IMF conditionality so ke nye IMF ƒe gadosea mi ate ŋu ada asi le me ado le me ke ne mi do le me la mi ate ŋu te kple amexɔ ɖe dziɖuɖu dɔwɔƒewo za eta me le gblɔ be ete ɖe Muntaka dzi be ewoe he yi va da asi agbalẽ te miaƒe dziɖuɖu nyanu tso ese kpli ɖoɖo yiwo ke le nu ma wa ewoe ke gatrɔ va be wo mele amexɔ zã o wole vivimenuwo kple amexɔxɔ la eɖe fu hafi gake ke wonya xɔe de me ezu edzi gãtɔ ko nya de kuku xɔe de me kɔa I feel be we'll move on but henceforth la I serve as a caution ne mía pete be ne yɛ nya ɖe gblɔ le ame ɖewo be evidence ne nɔ asiwo hafi na gblɔe megabu na zã na miawo alo na gblɔ be yi susui be na gblɔ be yi se be kemi ekɔ gblɔ nya it's common with us politicians eɖe ke gblɔ ɖe nye mo le kɔ be I've been paid off le kɔ ka
Emanya Messi onye magble ha ta
yes
magablo.
oh no
Bagaba publish bo.
mele publish o amosi party talk gede ke yom ne nya ya
E go ya ko channel me ka jime gble to fio.
yes gake egbe mi le nu ko le fia mele live on NDC platforms so me di be no say because party members are listening there American program from MC His Excellency Council of State Member Tanko Alo Revered Water Regional Minister Honorable James Kone American ko Ghana
Ga tro nya bo fe ba nya le ojiji no kokoko. Da me ma clear ga touch na ne. Le mo ji me azoro go touch na ne. E ke mo nya agbo no fe mo nya agbo blobe me bi be. E ba gbo ade yi be Stephen Adom Honorable MC ba gbo be no chia me deka. Alo inya masalo aka agbo nyama nyaonye ta ya MC ale jiobo ko anya wakata ba nya toto tano na ba go bomba komiga yo lebo fungi alo yo me lebo fungi ye ogbo no ba step down ye ochoro pe ko bore mu a atoton be mo ba mmefifi ele afiade bara ko nya go so na no nwa kpo me ma cause but me pero ga mo ka ji nya do me mile ta komiga majoro ga kuli majoro ga kule nya fa MC step by step ka nya ba komiga alle outside if you like so I mean and manya nya ya okoko ka me ma se mi dai wo na mi on Jerry Amako ko na jero ga kuli ada kule MC nkai nya nwa ara ba me bie nya ma nkata on hia be wale breaking no kokoko nko hiana yo ba assembly hagar ma be ejeje ga ba so yo pa yo masulam socio alo yo pa ba magbaji jamo na po nkaka wo ba yi yo makpomo ke ya ba yo momo ba yo ka at least ya e kporo ki be le more experience alo ko nte fa wo aka mama no mia yo mo fo yo ka ko nte fa kra yo mo bakata yo bona gera kana me ba va fi fi bona stronger ha ta un tokra ha po aba me ye ne ala ba la nyonya te po afi na bona stronger se to mo ko beto ta gomo de mo nai ma ga wu ha do ba bua bare ba ne ni ke devi ano ne che kokota ma po a ma ga ho ke jenga pasa e pe ho ta komika to pla enye ni gbomo le no ta abe ogla ba ngo kata team ha ni ve a egbona jojoge kaka wo ma ho enya jiso ala ba atopla yo step down na agbana me ma wazu council of state boss because ami nyo pe ma de ta ya le pe popo chinwa ngo kata team gbana mi hege vino kaka we chichi
oh me chichi enyi Tony
ngo kata team mi hege vino de
o le mauta mele mau ba gbesubo e me kwese be mau le motana ta me ya ki ke me nu kito peti ajola nu wola adakpe ne mau be ejo ta ya na mele ba gbo le fia be me chiji ya no vie ke amie kugbe
ma gbe chiji ba dole fa mu akanye gomo de
okay me chiji eni mata gbo le fia gbo be MC ba gbo be no da kone one that was the time you are negotiation for your regional minister Degbesi very enukila ele very complex enyebe matan lo ne yo be yo kaka me wi enyi mai da kona la wa ga tro aga kolo a vote no esema na me edeme ne ono abo agbento be ele be ne miere me because melon kaka me du ji ado no kemi ko me ha me wi enyi mai da kona ga go da kona be no la still la ele be ne to le sine esema so ya odo MC ahead be ya ne yi never china mi obela no throw da kona number 1 ya MC ba do announcement be no ta kone number ta fracture be ta fracture
Homo no bubble.
MC dey even hold on ma wa kra winter witness be ko me la me no bobo ta fracture lo MC kuchu ko be assembly member wa me velete ko ya achu ava tore ko me be la wa me vie ki piti le te ile to wa clear ibale popular no ta kona America ta fracture lo to ni mre ku bu nko ko MC tore ke mele ji ko ba chu tore nko pe o mi ta kona agbe. He can never do that because you see, aside Miaba Assembly election, we are all constituency executive, and MC Ichela is a constituency executive. Taleke Joyagbo side the take back. He cannot. He was instructed. But you will have formed a menyoa gatra adako, and indeed, I mean, don't know him menyoa. They decided Benemi Gatako sipe, and I didn't realize it. So I probably menegale mera no, and. As at the time, I got a payment of delay. On our back, I see payment of Yaba Omega number were crying each. Then we were all laughing. So when we closed, you decide if you have a miaga boa no sibera, and you may come over the Codidime Vacun Namo Britopete, SMA. So
Messages. Are true where MPP thrive on lies and criminality. I'm sure they are responding to Apenyomakin. Group here, wow. But their modus operandi now is just to concoct wild lies and throw these about to create dissatisfaction. But they are, so I won't use that word, not to know that Ghanaians have come to know all their ways now. All right, Kebe, do you remember Kufuor sold all our gold reserves to the Saudis? Who made that statement? There was also a Jadier, I don't know what that is, a Jadier document for Kufuor, authored by who?
I think it's Japadier.
Okay, all right. Yeah, in 1 second. Kuka, we know all politicians are corrupt and keep enriching themselves at the expense of all of us. There's no way a party in government will not benefit from recruitment into government institutions. Muntaka shouldn't worry. Our perception of corruption is just not based on what Apenyo Makin said. All right. Afedo Manyego, Afedo Miankosem, Joe Barracks Newton. When you interviewed Honorable Agbe yesterday, you said McBillion said in a statement that you should ask if Agbe called him. But this morning, when McBillion spoke, he said he heard on your channel. So they are both lying. Messages so you sent a message because it come as one of the messages. I can't even a chovoji, but you toga, but yes, me why I will do message that I make a time.
You see, if I Medina left here, you even ask me that do message that Benobie and Melodeji. Yakebe Globe, let me have a Yapala Ojila Egbele. So, Alapaka Ele,
I can a trick, very trick. American politicians. Okay, but I should get a message that Julan might see. Me number and the class of some now. You can't have your tongue message without a Jew. Over head about what? Head about what? If you can't take the heat, get out of the kitchen. A whole minister of interior crying words. Yes, I go, man.
It's not crying.
Your first word, it's not good. It's not good. It's not airworthy at all. All right. Okay. Mary, the message now. Mary, try to have agency of action is good for one to march forward. This season, get this best resource in use today for this skill. None comes close. I'm not sure. Are you advertising? I'm not sure. Message should be clear. Okay, Henry Kukabe, I said it. This myopic and childish opinion marking will go. Okay, maybe it sounds like an insult. Sorry about that. Behind the scene and kneel down and weep like a baby and beg. His face on TV yesterday begging was like he was going to serve a prison sentence. I don't understand. Opinion marking no 5 years.
You are officials. Showing where you had a prison sentence. I think it's a description. Probably I'm here with psychology. And you know,
Dan, Apenyo, please. Now you people go bring free SHSO. Now you people go bring our passing. Apenyo marking, please. You people go bring free SHSO. Many Ghanaians can now read and understand. Oh, your behavior will hurt you one day. Oh. Ask your friend Kennedy.
I think based on conditionality, some media that people of a Yahweh call free SHS.
Okay, Blema. Hello, Blema. Okay, Blema. But you can see how sober you have become after your feathers are crippled, always making empty noises and irresponsible accusations in the house. You will be more sober after visiting the ACG issues. Look at his. Oh, no. Blema, so many messages. I'm not reading your message anymore. Okay, a Jew. Okay, my try, Uncle Ben. What, Uncle Ben? What? You deliberately lie in public to dent somebody's reputation and pretend to apologize? Are you political class? Are you political class? Are protecting yourself as he, Fenyo, demanded? Are you political class? Are protecting yourself as he, Fenyo, demanded? Uncle, I'm not sure I get you. Mensa, don't mention about politicians and pretense. Apenyo, mad king, wow. Pretending to apologize and Pampers pretending to accept the apology. Film tricks, song, Apenyo, mad king, pretending to apologize and Pampers pretending to accept the apology. Film tricks. Nke Pampers. Maybe you are a politician, maybe propaganda, none of that.
Muntakabek is the job on diaper issue.
Yeah. But I even with Pampers. Oral. I'm some of the comments about Mewukla, but I don't want to read them because I already be you may give me a level to and that of no commenter such a way by doing Agasi. You have to be a gatroba. I'm ignoring those messages.
No, yeah, see, comments guide us. And you know,
no, you come over me at time maybe, but I will have a chop when you do toga or Yara. That is your main comment you should respond to it. So far, all right, rub my back. I rub your back. Survivor, Mutaka, don't say because you are in Ramadan season. You forgive. But please, Ramadan, insults. No. All right, Vincent, but for 8 years, bravo. Over Ramadan time.
Sometimes focus is to make Ghana better. You see, on the road to a welfare ambition, there will be distractions.
Yeah.
And then when you don't have any focus on that distraction, and you get it, but when talk at them, so a pen marking here, every enemy at all CKD. But a better than seeing near obstruct government business. That name that shift me up attention for that. Achieve ya go. Can me away me have to go to me have a drink. we move. I mean, I do wherever we move.
We move.
Where we-
Okay, Ceci, do message there. O Central Afia, but this is not between the two, but the minority leader and the House of Parliament. Let's pay attention to the difference, please. Well, don't hear where I go. Guys, Ceci, yes, the minority leader attacked the minister, but he communicated untruth in the House of Parliament, which is an issue of contempt of Parliament. Remind us about his earlier attack on the Ministry of the Interior on the false comment on the raid of the BOG Governor's house and the stealing of money and other items by the staff and the Ministry of Interior. Yes, the minority leader attacked the minister, but he communicated untruth in the House of Parliament, which is an issue of contempt of the House. I understand that. Remind us about his earlier attack on the Ministry of the Interior, on the false comment on the raid of the BOG Governor's house, and the stealing of money and other items by the staff and Ministry of Interior. Okay, that's your view.
No, I don't could be emi ho power tetia. Ono mi ato accuse be overraid am residency. O ta ejo the former governor Chechi. Oglobe Ministry of Interior towele behind it. So I feel be ya communicate na mi ole be e pass false comment do chesi bieke by be overraid governor pe apeme. Ele enye a very untrue statement, a fallacy.
Yeah.
I think they won't let me guide that.
So when it's contempt, that's why he needed to have gone to the privileges
committee. I think Bobe ever first one. He quickly went back to lick his own vomit by apologizing. So it tells you, America Pomevi, Apenyuma Kinyo, that America Bobe, yeah, agenda is to obstruct our people, distract them so that they don't focus on their focus. Kakemia Tojo Levenu Kwede Jesibe out. My duty as a minister, my job as a CEO is not to miss the target, but I have to focus on the focus. So, it's part of politics. That is the hindrance, allo encumbrance. You will not know where you are at. You're giving out your best to. So,
okay, Achu, manya Achu Marekako ya. Said like, whoever lies. The signature tune of NDC party. Who does not know that Muntaka is corrupt? That is Tinka Tinka for you. It's a Tinka Tinka or a blueberry. Hello, Tinka Tinka. Okay, so well,
I don't know Muntaka is corrupt. Maybe you would have to prove to us. Maybe if you feel somebody is corrupt, the courts are there. You rid of someone corporate, then look at feel very what I corrupt. Then on fighting now.
Mama Ghana, but this thing called democracy will destroy Africa. Will all the looting nobody has been sentenced 1 year on?
Yes,
But nonsense and ingredients.
I want to speak on this one. When I met Speaker, it was one thing.
My message once again. But this thing called democracy will destroy Africa. Will all the looting? I think with all the looting, nobody has been sentenced 1 year on nonsense and ingredients.
Yes.
Mama Gaya Domavemde Sosomina Sue Blorema Glore to Popone and Chiba Vasrefia Jiri Avapo Rekava
You see, him and Togo Speaker day, and your academy be a buying look at plea bargaining. Mikwe Koteme. In a plea bargaining part of the law, he be government official, Fifia. Ne wanyata has 60% of a Kama Hobe fee. Kolane no de Asileona. Me le benemi kwedon because me ne kwedon bene imagine be maybe enyiche me va fi amerebe bli le buji e agbledela le mo kona be ya wa harvest ake me va fi kodwe ya over lema ya obe o ebrebe me mama de alafaji la makobla deve makobla netui I think be me le etepo
So bla ko bla na adwaro.
makobli bla de kodui akobla ne into makobla ne akobla de kodui
Salima.
Salima, if you can be able to pay 60%, kimi wa dasile case on. So
So that you will not be jailed.
so that you will not be jailed.
Yeah.
Ta na po gift worry mensa be NSS case numa ya oje pushing be plea bargain ta wa he 60% of the money ke wa dasile on so that you will not be jailed. Yenye ekpo mi abe Criminal Offences Act la na na do gboba wa add-ons ike mi pola na be amendment that him to speaker amenochi nebe and you may repeal that part of the law so that atan kettle corruption and bribery that akpobe egbe amegidi le versus semebe nukata omela mi ojelo kakene do so nanjo state of the nation address la president krawa kronle so far Iyoko has recovered 400 million from cases yoke he corruption no alame yoke fifi figure 400 million Ghana cedi chofa is because the people are paying the 60%.
But we should know, you should communicate. You see, seriously, this is one of your problems, communication. No la mekiki, missy. Over am the lecturer she osi, over my culture tramog back or smuggle she cham oh missy. I'm okay for sure to gamma like over 400 million Ghana. America got her my memo. And you think you are doing good governance?
No,
you think you are doing good governance? Emi be oral, blekete. Emi ga home call, come back bonami be 400 call. Echo, you can't believe you are working.
Tony, maybe you see in that plea bargain part, Cherry, a proper a protect na and no the covered.
The court is an open place. Plea bargain, and you go meet Attorney General, then you serve the court that you have agreed on this. The court is an open place. A journalist can sit there.
Yes.
Tamiawe, enya court holdings high court so le kono podo mioza tamiawe pogo we are making
high court mele podo mioza
masagoma high court level
district courts will have a time for osupo like high court level
high court level
high court level
high court level tamfi kami ko nyama yi afi recover collections alo recoveries are jimla miawe nyanya because the journalists later all invite na me do like that's why they invite us we name me the invite me nyagaba Attorney General to Iyoko pleto je o doyo mo en piaro le do
like enyabe nyaocha right to information at or bill okay at RTI ele dowa SMNRD ta ujela atwayi the Attorney General's Department angola gbale abenya jojo to wala kemi achemi ga kwa bota now eto obe ku wa komla du mo ha ono mi no bota bota nem bene o blame the sia de nem ya okay le government na ya chemi adefu
nyawe la tamule ida shiro nyawe katamule du ko ajago se nyanye mele fiade nyanye mele fiade egwaro kana ma yire
fiade ma do mo now nebe I challenge you nebe ya yi Attorney General agba submit ibe request nena yi nko kito amekito ke 400 million so far meleti na obe mi ano megbe na
I agree on that kake seriously politicians must know even opposition must be even more interested. You don't just come if you are so now Rokubazo concept.
No, mezu concept.
No,
you
can't judgment money. Nova was State of the Nation address. Uno not debating a role or setting tonga kavas na 2 weeks. Or getting yam kaka oh ma Klongata eliko do mo le kaka
ele ke MPP to ba le mi abe ese wota pepe me wa ifiela ele nuku wa
me MPP nya gblomo mion to pa nya gblomo
no mele is ele be the government nya of the no say you see nemi ko se wota pepe me ko zu ko di bela enu gere atoto le mi abe to come because fima ole be nu wa dodo de du kon be le mi azo eki ka ke no ida mi obola no ko la be we you I know you are PhD holder we are lecturing fifieko as you are lecturing ke students all we do muma pete fiale nedo to ko atando that is what is happening at parliament speaker le nuku amu mechole mo president vale nuku ke amobe yole ko kodasi yo tso le wli to yo zɔ do le xɔme yo do awu yibɔ enumawo katã ke wɔ amewo le pété la ame ɖe do ebe yevu gbe be piglidi enumawo wa le it's a state of confusion and total pandemonium ke ese yi kpli dodo yi wòle be ne woxlẽ nuwo vɔ ne wòa ɖe mía dukɔmeviwo la amewo kɔ di kɔta la womese o. It will even shock you be ne tu MP ɖe gbe ke bie be yoko ne nɔ recover so far wo kplɔ le state of the nation mesi nya kratse bɔ kplɔ be 400 million esema so it's worrisome be
esa akụkọ nkịtị tọ ụgbọ ya ụmụ akụkọ nkịtị na ma gbogbo rọba koklovi oyo amụ omena agbedela omena osugbo koklovi esa kpama
no, you know you see
koklovi omari osugbo owo ka plede koklonyila
no, don't even go back when you see I can be in this studio. Figures are something.
esia esenya
Da me gake me ma de film na. Ekpo be di matam ye gbogbo be fifie be me ye. Be me now we Tony 7,000 be na mane
300
I'm
300,000 only koklovi 7,000 we record koklonyila 300,000
You see, you can always have a slip of tongue. The fracture, humans are fallible. We are bound to make mistakes. That means a perfect amount of it is no mistake. That means a perfect as to demigod. SMA. So you can be trying to mention figures and make mistakes. Element. So I don't fault anybody at all for making those mistakes. So because never me vana ame 300,000. Enu 200 ekwere maybe me ma gboro enu 200,000 kake in in that heat of the moment whilst I'm communicating my lips became faster than the brain that enya dovo afi susu avanyo megbe and is with communication, especially if you are doing persuasive communication and you are not too careful your lips will become very fast than the brain na me nyanu popopo awan gbegbe edun kujibe under the actual administration MPP. Me DC de to be yo jira obobole enu ye jira 1 billion excavator ole jira 1 billion kakela yo va plen 2.5 billion ko jira excavator dota yo mega yi va play excavator kile 1 billion. You see, arithmetic play accounting principles. Amelete po yebe ole nuo yi ajira 1 billion. Yeah, be blend 2.5 billion. Ko jira kukuodu ta megaba play out. That at that moment, who like communicating every lives no faster than the brain. That ewa for that.
da do kokla wo da e ko ba ye na koklovi 7,000 300,000.
No,
That's a number is more.
They are figures. They are figures.
Ke miao ya pa majority leader ayo chuo ni me wona na chuma because mshanwe ko na parliament do file ni afrika na ta je ba na mana no mikita mi ashi mi pa finance minister no fuma mikita mi no fuma ta why
No, yeah, Glomelebedi. We cannot fault anybody at this
ka
point.
journalist over jemi akoko
You know, but once upon a time, they couldn't even read what they were telling them. Palo say after the Chief Justice what they were asked to say. SMA. Because at the heat of the moment, so every president in this country once upon a time, Bronanya, Baumia in Choba quote Psalm 23, Yikakakaka verse 111 to
president
no,
I thought a light.
I will make a light.
Very light.
Very light. Even when
When Thanksgiving,
even when he was vice president,
we are talking about state of the nation.
Even when he was vice president, Church, Prophet
May parliament, coat of arms,
Nanado,
do not trivialize the issue.
Nanado, no parliament, crashing on blebla, Nuka, Nuto Merelu, your voter rating. Then what do we do about those ones?
I don't know why Penyo Makin is still minority leader. John Kuka, a message why he's not as MPP. If you really want to be taken seriously in Parliament, then you need to change this man called Apenyo Makin. All right. Brigadier Abe, Gen Z minister, a whole grown-up man, shamefully milking it. Who gives a damn with your feelings, Muntaka? Were you not involved in Dapes and Chinga side chick scandal? Refurbished corrupt man.
So you see, I think that people have
Vincent,
to
for 8 years, not just a year, so many messages. But I keep telling you, if you insult, I will not be able to read your message because I man on editing and I'm doing TV, not radio. All right. So now insulting so please, for 8 years, for 8 years, have heard your counterparts publishing for enlistment in security services, but they recruited their people. You are not hurt. He dare you do the needful. Remember those you meet when you are climbing, when you are descending to, you may meet them. Power and position are not permanent. Okay. Ray, I saw a message. Jay, I saw a message. Still a penyo. All right. October Rob. Honorable Paul Nyauta.
All right. So
Yeah.
Mark Globe,
Man, my Facebook Angela can
see,
view.
get me do if you are not guided in the comments we pass about people because I'm a kid. I say, "Don't pay your money if you like." So na me nya ponyo do kola. Wonto agbolonya devola. Magabubo abaku ekona. In chapter 5 of the 1992 Constitution, and the subject matter of the law in fundamental human rights. Under that chapter 5, article to freedom of speech. Like I knew you can mesro na freedom after speech. Neme glonyavo. Eme gberi nuka ya nye consequences or adu. Nuka ya banye kuki adu. Ne tore fi abe amele corrupt, refurbished, corrupt individual. Can you prove? But you see,
About Chichinga,
you I bet scandal o nyaro jobai.
you.
Na zambubu jo.
No, Honorable.
Na zambubu o yire. Rape. Yeah, I say also Tony, that doctor, a rape me. Ke a way over ye honu, all vindicated. That me ga zanya ma against we rape, ma ga chonya dem wa. Because no ma ogbo dem mo la, ma gba he na obe me we. Ta amebe to me le ga zen kokodi nko. Ta na me le also Tony rape amelo. A doctor who may appear in Numa, Lucene, at Pananyala, Gangan, and we are in Nuka, or Levemia, one of so I beg of you, be Miano, Pepemia, be $2 play, Nukuala play, and may you can go on and do them, ya be the Kukunemi there. Make a Zambia per sentiments and emotions, a copody, a movement because they do court homer, my tongue global sentiment, yes, judge out to now, I see don't get your bay to go. Angola don't be Pasia Binti.
Bola Honorable Magbiron Bansa, Kenya Assembly member, ne Sokode Amachanto Maganya, Deputy Communications Officer, ne NDC, Ganya, America Contest. Presiding membership, President of the news person, then presiding member of the message the card on Facebook. Congratulations, that's a message from Don Akwe Mawu V. Selassie. Okay, Christina Jabova, outstanding. Thank you. Thank you, Don. Yes, you are doing very well. Thank you. Just speak it like you gave me. I think this one we can do for today. Talking about when you're calling. Namawe, got a car for us. I thought again. Nemawe, got a car, my to Troga, Agaramiachi, Alba Magato, Ajade, paklimi le bame tank kama no yana ya bana mi kata ba mi o de kapaklim le batom ke kama na nyo na mi kata ton makboy ba amana nyo bye bye.
Hey, see, they go they pretend say they love you. They go they call for mouth, they sweet they call you. I say, they go they smile for front, they say they love you. Hey, they go they spoil for back, they say they love you. Hey, jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Mon Dieu, oh, mon Dieu, quand ça faut, mon Dieu, mon Dieu. Ah, mon Dieu, oh, mon Dieu, quand ça faut, mon Dieu, mon Dieu. This right way they see so. They know be like they said the day before. Because of jealousy, oh, brother is killing brother because of money.